goal?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Actually, I watch it now.
Are you gonna take a goal trade?
About
Now, what's a good lot size for this one goal? Now, what 200K, something that come, but we're down 2,500 now.
is it 200K?
Yeah.
200K. What's your something here? Your max loss.
So, max, I'm gonna tell you right now. So, I know my max daily loss is 10 grand, but my maximum loss is 20 grand.
And lot size in terms of scalp or just overall intraday.
Probably that's a scalping.
Well, scalping I use 10. As you pretty much go like in and out.
Alright, so my daily loss right now is 0. And my max loss right now is 2,500.
Daily loss,
So I get a full daily loss of $10,000. But right now, I don't have no daily loss because, you know, I don't lose no money. But my maximum loss overall, I get $20,000 and only done 2,500.
yeah, you're good if you choose to scalp with 10
Alright. Yeah, more past the turn there, but just the phase one right
What's up, Nollis?
What's up?
What's up, my G? I just shoot you a text there.
Telegram?
Yeah. Let me know what you want.
Oh, YouTube people, y'all stingy with the likes. Got people watching, but no one liking. Let's end it there. You consider a break a candle close, or do I consider a candle close a break? Yeah, I consider a candle close a break. Oh, sure.
Peace, I missed that entry.
You missed the entry.
Yeah, man.
You joined in already?
Yeah. Breaking down, so yeah. Jumping in.
You need to jump in now. Oh, shit. Alright, so I'm going in now.
Alright. I hear some MetaTrader.
Me that, me that,
Working.
me that. Me that, me that. I move my magic keys.
Yeah.
Yeah, that spreads on them real wide today, but sheesh.
Right now?
Yeah, man. On go, she.
Alright,
Yeah, the
let's see
spread
if
them right, man. Because
let's see if we can get some GJ buy. Holy crap. It's already pushing off. Damn. Damn. It's already push off.
wait, stop loss on this. No, there's so much pips.
20.
Alright, cool. I got 20. I'm gonna enter late, so I'm to be mine a breeder.
Alright. Wait on GJ. Should I enter on this candle, which is the brick? Alright, no worries.
I enter late, so I'm gonna give mine a little breeder.
Yeah, man.
Hey, me no know. Me no like how DJ Babe. DJ Babe like a real. You just realize I just shoot up.
Yeah. But, I mean, alright, hold on. Before I start any breakdown, let me see if some people here giving the likes on YouTube, because if I'm not getting the likes, I'm not gonna go in depth with no chart breakdown. I have 23 people watching and no likes on the stream.
Yeah, man. You likes, man. You likes. You not seen it.
Yeah?
Guys, when I like it, it had Let me tell you how much it have right now. Must it have like 50 now? Hold on. It have likes, man. I check it. I was like, yeah, man. It have 16 likes right now.
16? Oh, hold on, let me look
Yeah,
again. Let
man.
me cuss out the people. Oh,
Yeah, cause
alright, yeah.
16 likes. Yeah, man. I see again on bad days, so I had to say something, but I say, damn, this guy saying it had no likes, bro.
Yeah, man, because I mean,
No, man. Likes them, man. Likes they, but when you did say that, it had like 10 likes already.
oh,
I was
oh,
like, damn, I wonder why Nollis saying that.
I'm not seeing it loading on mine, man. My bad.
Mm.
All right. So let's take a look into some charts. So,
Just like from the YouTube as well.
all right, yeah, man, much respect. So I almost passed my funded, but GJ spiked up due and kill my account. Damn. Lesson learned. Always check Forex Factory when trading in the evening. Um, I think more so a lesson learned would be just to use your stop. Because if you're up, then that means that you're in profit if you almost passed it. So just practice putting your stop in profit. You know, um, that will really help you a whole lot. Okay, I'm gonna break down GJ though. Oh, it's now a different good chart. Alright, give me just a sec. Now we just run over GJ because. Alright, so way off in profit, so that's alright. 20 pip if you entered on the break, then it would your 20 pip is at 1827.96. But we should get a good little run off gold.
Nollis, this is what I don't understand, man. Your charts, bro, different, man. When you say and dog, 18 that right now where enters right by what you saying there, 18
Yeah.
27.
Oh, you just entered?
No, that is when you say enter.
Oh,
I, I don't know what's going on with my charts are different, man. And this happening a long time, eh? Long time, bro. I don't know. And you like, yo, you're not up. You see when I sent you the picture the other day, I was like, bro. Up.
So you and I
Yeah.
entered the same time because my price at 1827.99.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I don't know,
99.
man.
All right, about it. All right, you
Right now
guys
down
good just
like
the
six,
same.
700 right now.
What lot size are you using?
10.
All right, it should be fine.
Normally I'd use like 40.
hmm No, for for the cleaner ones, then we use those. But no, for this one,
Okay,
it's all
okay.
right because it's in a range, It's in a range that we need it to break out of.
Mm.
So, based on how it's moving, then we should get the actual fall at least to this level, which is below the 20 pip, and then we target further levels, but we should get a good little run on gold. So for the sales,
Oh yeah?
um, yeah. So with this little closure here, even though it's a 5 minutes, we should go down. So even if it retests this level, we should be fine.
Yeah, and then my stop loss by what's that? 1829.78. What to do? Kite back a little more or that good?
Um,
That's like 20
that
pips from
that's
where I enter.
no, that close. So you see, when you enter late, your stop's gonna be a bit wider because it better you have a stop that makes sense versus a stop that's too small. Cause your stop is
Let me see
down
my
here.
stop. Let
The
me see,
stop are gonna
boy.
be too close, buddy. Because your stop are gonna be
My stop is let me see. So wait, let me see 1829. Yeah, 1829.97. Yeah. 20 pips from where I enter. But the
yeah, but if
spread
you enter
was
late,
so wide.
because you enter late, you have to go widen yours a little.
Yeah. So it better you use because I have like 1830.74 for the original stop. So anywhere up there or
1830.
1831. Yeah.
So let
So
me see. That is like 20. That is like 27, 30 pips
yeah,
then.
man. No, you can't be scared to widen it once the stop makes
Bro,
sense.
I don't like the Jordan thing, bro. That is what has get me. So I jump in and shit and jump right back out because I see you going in Jordan, but you just hold it.
Yeah,
Like,
I mean, if you
jeez.
know or you believe what's gonna happen, make no sense. You play hopscotch. You
All
turn
right,
a
I'll
winner
move
into
it.
a loser.
I'll move it to 30. All right. The next thing is remember I was real down on my account, man. And today I'd take a US card trade and I hold it. I
hmm
hold it like for a while and I come back up with like 6 grand.
You see? Yeah.
Yeah, a whole lot. I still in it actually. I still up that 6 grand right now. I still in it right now.
All right.
So yeah, man, I just keep moving up my stop loss, and that is how I get back the account from because I was like, are you gonna lose it? You
Mm-hmm.
understand? I was down like 30 something, 32. I'm back up to 47 right now, to 247.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a bless up, bro.
For real. Yo, these closing look
Yeah.
ugly though. All right, let's see how this 30 minutes close. All right, so GJ, your guys were asking about GJ.
Yeah, but let's pass some accounts before the date is out. We here till daylight. We up till daylight. Let's go.
All right, so GJ. All right, so originally GJ was in this zone, stuck in this zone for a minute, then came down and well, it's still in this zone. All right. Now, what happened is because at this level, as this blue line is a pretty significant area that I have, right, coming right across from here, which it comes from a 4 hour time frame, um, as well as a daily, which is it goes right across, but I just stopped it here. All right. So it is a significant area as it relates to price. Now, I was watching this area as well as down here where I say I have the weekly support, knowing that price can buy from any of these two areas. Um, Especially because of what was happening here. You can see it clearer on the 4 hour. This was a whole level that price was reacting to on the 4 hour right here. Created resistance, 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 support.
Yeah, yeah. 4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, was a
So coming right
consolidating
across.
there.
Right. So even with this push up now, um, that we got here, I was still in sales, still looking at sales because it didn't close above this zone here. Um, so caught some pips going down. Was looking to at least fill this wick here, which was still at the bottom here, which is fine. However, price did something just a little different.
Nollis, you still in that trade?
What, GJ?
Yeah.
No. Um, not with this one. No. Because what happened is, so on the 1 hour time frame, it wasn't showing me what I wanted to see as it relates to continued sell. It was showing more for a pullback, which would have been a buy, but I wasn't looking for that just yet. The buy that is. Reason
Oh
being,
yeah. Like break the trend
it's
on the 15 minutes.
yeah, so it's not in any of my areas that I want, but I did see um the rejections in this area because I had put a zone here, a little one. I did see all of that rejection. I also had a minor trend line. I believe I drew it from here. Yeah, that price was sitting on. So
Yeah. Yeah, that's
because
what
of
I had my
this,
trend line draw.
yeah, so because of this now, and I realized that it touched the trend line, touched the zone, rejected, and closed like this. I'm like, all right, that's fine. And this candle didn't, when it closed and it didn't break the low, this one, stops was put right above this candle, just in the anticipation that, okay, what can happen is price can just come down, retest, and go back up, which on the 30 minutes, it was a bit clearer. This is how the candles were forming. So stop was right above because it wasn't breaking through this area at the bottom. So um this would have been, where am I? At the bottom right here. So this area coming from the left was being respected pretty much right through. Resistance, support, support, support. So this was a confirmation for a buy, but I wasn't interested in it. So, because for GJ, it is going for a buy. I do see higher highs ultimately for GJ, but this is not the confirmation that I like. This was a confirmation. This candle that retested, but I wasn't up at the time. That retested this zone. This was my little entry. This would have been my entry because this is what I was waiting on. Let's retest here in this zone to go up, but um, I wasn't up at the time, so missed that. So for GJ, I'm scalps, yes, but ideally I rather wait for um, a better retest at the zone, probably this major trend line or a break full close break retest of this area before going for the buys, because this is a strong zone right here. So not really excited about just jumping in um, right there. Just like how gold is in a little zone. So um, let me see what
And
GJ
now we're down like 20 pips on go.
down. So like it's pulling back.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me check it in a bit. All right, let's hop over to gold and see. But so that's really the breakdown. So for the buy, it was this break and retest that I have with the rejection on the zone. But as I said, I wasn't interested, so I was fine not taking that. You don't catch them all. I wasn't looking primarily for buys, so therefore I won't take just any and any short-term buys if that's not what I'm looking at. Oh, I see. Should still be good. Um, yeah, should still be good. 31. This is the top of the zone.
Because it keep rejecting that minor area there.
hmm But it did give a break below. So let's see. This resistance should hold. Um, Trend line retest. So we just monitor that. I want it to, if it retests the trend line, then we should for more pips as well, as it should continue to fall, especially based on the higher time frame. We're looking for a further drop before any other move up. So at least to retest this level here, this is a minor level, 30 minutes, at least to retest this level. But based on how I see things, we should continue down. If we just break through here, then this is the next stop and going down. But it's in a tricky little area as well, as you see. Um,
Okay.
this is a major zone. So I've been trading between this zone for a minute now, but it is doing what it's supposed to do. Expected it to fall harder from this area. We got the rejection here. Um, I believe in total we got about 70, 80 pips somewhere there. About because went in on two entries. So one we got a pullback and then it broke through and entered again. So I'm currently waiting for that to for gold to decide where it's going. Ideally, you want to see a break out of one of these zones. That's when gold will make up its mind. So either it's gonna break up out of here or break down. But I'm looking for the sells. Not sure about anyone else. 1829, 83. Someone have 1829, 83 as a daily key level on gold. So that is why it is taking a bit to go down. So you see, it just aligns with what I said because this is 1829.83, which is um, almost at the top of the level that we're playing with. So even on the higher time frame, you can see the level clearer where you can see price playing around. So came down, created a support here, broke through, just retesting now to continue down. So I'm all sales on that. 4 hour, this is what the 4 hour looks like. Wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection. Currently closing down. So each time it goes up, the body of the candle gets smaller on the higher time frame. So, we're running out of buyers on the 4 hour.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. As this zone as well goes right back to over in all of this mess over here. But I don't extend all the zones all the time because, as I was saying, these different charts. But this one should give you a clear view as to what I was trying to explain. So took some gold buys up, then I had a sell. This was the entry. I had a pending order here. So was it here? Yeah, so this candle. And then this candle pulled back, gave us 50 pip, and then came back and closed. Like this, and then got in on this one. Came down, got about another 50 or so pip. I think about 80 pip off this one. And then it came back up and still holding to see this one play out. Um, GU was the other one. So GU played out perfectly. Was a bit stubborn to begin with, though. Um, yeah, was a bit stubborn to begin with because it was. It took a lot of time to. Hold on. So you see, this is 270 pip. Um, that we got off of. No, hold on, check that wrong. Hold on. It wasn't 270, but this is GU. So still have this swing position open for GU sells. Um, played the buys, almost got taken out here. Played the buys back into this key zone, and GU being respected for some time. It goes way back on the higher time frame, just the same. So this was a pretty sensitive area. So we're currently still playing in this area, waiting for GU to fall. Um,
On the swing trades, how wide it is to the stop loss on the swing trades?
it varies, but normally not over 50 pip. If I have anything over 50, then we're aiming for like upwards of 800. But the largest one I used, I believe, was on Nas. This one. Holy shit! Pardon my French. Are we going down? So this was 76 pip or 767 points. I think this was the widest stop loss I've used for a swing trade. Current,
Mm,
Currently still going, but when you look at it, you're risking 76 pip. Um, TP1 was here 150. 150 pip was TP1. We took that out, and now this TP, this is TP3, 448 pip, which is over 4,800 points. So I mean,
Worth it.
If I use a wide stop loss, it's worth it based on tape profit.
For real.
So
I kind of better off on gold right now because when it retraced just now, I take our next entry.
hmm that's how you do it, because you see when you're
Yeah.
confident in the
So now
trade
I'm
and you
profit with
know,
it. So
yeah, you see pull back or you get a late entry and then you see it pull back against you. You just slap another entry. You know, that's it. You just wait. Can see. So we just waiting for gold to do its thing. Um, let's see here. What is your TP and Gov? I have it selling to 1822, 1822, 9. Says right here. That's about 50 pip. Yeah. For the scalp, yes, that's a target, but overall I'm waiting to see 1822, 9. Oh, so just sell it over 50 pip. Yeah, that's good. That's a good TP to have for this setup. Um, I don't have a final yet. I mean 20 pips here and then 40 pips at 1824, 40, but I'm waiting to see how it react. Um, how we get a break.
was the first take profit?
1826, 36.
Okay, thanks.
Um, yeah, that's the first one I have. Hold on, let me check that. This, oh snap. Sell on GJ. Enter in the sell. Enter in the sell on GJ. Yeah,
And GJ?
yeah. Taking the sell.
We have a, we have a sniper in the background just waiting for entries.
Yeah, man. GJ, his baby, you know. Yeah, man. But
My baby.
playing the little pullbacks. Stop loss above the last high there. Should get it back right into this zone. Yeah, which is perfect. So let's just wait to see how that play out.
Alright, so I'm gonna get my stop loss in.
Was he pip? We will be doing now, what, 20, 30?
Yeah, man. Same 20. Just above the last high.
The last week on which time frame then? Let me see which
Let's say
time frame.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay.
So you can set it 153. I have it 153, 153. I
Alright.
have it 163, 153. Yeah.
163.53.
Yeah. 163.153. It's a it's a bit of a buyer's market, but let's see if we can get in that scalp entry there. Point two. Because ideally we can just get the retest to the point 200 area here, which is the area that I was talking about on the higher time frame. Hold on, let me use the other chart because this one will, yeah, this is better. Hmm. Come on, go the wild then. Oh boy, 2783. So I don't like how this 1 hour candle closed just now. Yeah, this one closed a bit ugly. Hmm. I mean, overall, we got a lot of gold did give us a big move, especially this one was a quick move. Um, Ranged for a while, then moved. So it ranging right now is fine. It's not even ranging like that as it broke below this level. Rejected, broke, created support, rejected, broke, retest. So we wait for the retest and see what happened. Alright, so while we're at it and waiting on these pairs to break, let's just look at some random charts. Avoid that. See if maybe we have some intraday setups. There it is.
About the SV 500. ESP 500 or US 30, like one of them indices.
I mean, I missed the sell on US 30 that much. It's a sharp move that missed the sell. This was a retest. US 30. On US 30. I waiting this level. Waiting to see how price react to this level. On US 30. It's all sales for me though. US 30, NAS, thing. I think SPX. But until I get some form of pullback, no entries on such indices.
So you think US dollar going up? So everything selling, gold, US 30, NAS, everything.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. I try not to base it off of the DXY still, but overall I have it. I have I have these selling on the higher time frame. Um, at least to this level. Then you see what's what. Um, overall, because when you look at it, this is the daily. It is pretty bearish. Nice size candles going all along. So for US 30, it can tap into this level right here. 30,000, 700 thereabout. So waiting to see that happen.
Damn, you
Waiting to
think
see from
solo?
here.
Shoot, you think it's gonna drop down solo?
Yeah, it's not impossible.
Jeez.
It's not impossible. I mean, let's do a fib. See, easy. A fib, but again, it's a step-by-step thing. Might not happen right now, but um,
Right.
if we break below this level, then this is the only other stop based on the fib as well as overall price action. Not even using the fib, but just based off pricing itself. That's where I see it. But again, step by step, because you have all of this right here. So you see, this is a
All right,
weekly.
a goal take me out, hit my stop loss. But GJ is still in.
Gold took you out.
Yeah.
Alright, let's check gold. So yeah, let's check this first and then go back. We'll look at NAS. Um, sound like gold being a
It's
little
still good
loose.
with GJ.
Yeah, gold take you out? Nah, man. Is
Oh,
I had like 28 pips.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
probably his stop
I had
was
my
set different.
it might start was set different. So,
Uh,
you know.
I had it down like 20 pips right now. So like, yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
All right. Hold on. All right, but GJ. Let's see. Oh, been a nice little fella. All right, so
And
GJ.
that at least and that had me least lots of
figure something like that to happen.
That a Melise lot size. I know it a run.
One way I doubt, yeah.
No, okay. Yeah. Yeah. It happened.
Yeah. All right. So we had 10 pip. So you guys can feel free to put stop loss at entry. Just in case we reject from this area. But we should be good. Um, yes, Steph, that's what happened. His stop loss was a bit different. Um, all right, so wait on these two. But I try not to get into too much on the stream, and then not everything looks, good for entry. No, this is garbage right now. All right, so let's jump back and let's look on NAS. So for this one, it's pretty much kind of the same thing as it relates to what I have on US 30. Um, with it creating this, I take this as the last high. So now we need a new low in the market. So we need to take out this low right here. First serious target would be right here for me on NAS. Overall, I'm seeing where it might retest down here to give whatever he called 1, 2, 3, depending on the time frame, it can be several bottoms. That sounds away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's just say 3 right here. So this, as you can see, is overall downtrend based on where price is at right now on NAS. If price fail to break below, then based on the higher time frame, this would have been a higher high, and then this would have been a higher low to continue up on NAS. But I don't know. I'm looking. This is a pretty sensitive area, yes. So treading carefully, but overall, I do see it selling for a minute. So working with that, especially this double rejection here. And then it didn't bother to stop anywhere here, it just fell right through. So if we take out this low, which is the next um, target for me, 4,000, well, 4,500 points, then we're good to go for this area. Well, this is a long-term trade still on NAS. I try not to trade indices on not the smaller time frames because I realize that I'm not I'm not the best at doing them on the smaller time frame. So I just use higher time frame and scalp them out. They burn me. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's been a minute I checked on Bitcoin, but
Going down bad, bro.
yeah, I
Went
mean,
back down fast.
still had it going, but damn. So this position was closed down here. Huh. I mean, Bitcoin. And let's just clear the chart for a minute. Ooh. It's a dump, 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 dump. Damn. damn. This is not looking good for Bitcoin. I mean, I had it going to 14K, but oh, it stopped at 15. Well, I might just get it. I mean, it won't fall forever, but ever since it got all-time high and the hype came into it, it just literally just dumped. There's no structure down here. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so little chance at redemption there. Created a low, respected the high. So we have to wait to see what happened here. On Bitcoin.
Got took out on GG at break even.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see. Uh, let's see.
The good thing is make $50, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
No losses.
Yeah, so that's why this is why I said to put it at break even because this is on, right? And so far it's rejecting this zone. Same one which I just spoke about. Alright, let's see 5 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. 30 minutes, trend line. Let's see.
My guy have a good chance to get back in the goal when they reach that trend line there. And a sell of it going back down, you know? That would be great.
That's exactly what I'm waiting for.
Yo, for
I'm
real.
like, I gotta message that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's GJ moving. A bit sketchy. But let's just move this to the side. For anyone holding, yeah, it's still you can still hold if you want. Just want to see it a bit clearer. So let's see if we break out of this zone. Because this can just be a pullback on the 5 minutes to drive us down. Yeah, that brought us right there. Well, let's just see. But this right here is a nice, it's a setup looking it's looking good for buys, but these wicks are of concern to me. So not gonna scalp a buy just yet. And even if we're looking at intraday setups, would have missed the entry here on the retest, either the break out of here or the retest. I missed both, so the next step would be break or break and retest. So waiting overall to see what happens with that, with all of that. So stop trading this one, NZD USD, because the pip count is too small. It's not making a sense. So look at this. On a normal pair, on a 1 hour time frame, this would have been a whole lot more than just 75 pip. So I don't trade it anymore. Should actually remove it from the list, but
I mean, it moved very slow.
yeah, I don't like it. All right. Where was I on this pair again?
He was at the cells waiting on a cell.
Yeah, I think that was it.
Oh no, there's the Australian dollar. Okay.
Uh, all right.
Oh my God, it enter gold there, bro.
Jerome, you took goal?
Ah, no, not yet.
What?
Why? Where you got the
Sorry,
alert?
sorry.
Right, we're going like 10 pips already from where it was, my guy.
Oh my God.
You got the alert that it hit my the trend line. Let's
Can't
see.
enter again. Damn.
Um, yeah, you can, but you missed the prime entry.
Damn.
Oh, yeah, I wonder if this is too far. No, this is too far. 55 pip, 35 pip, 35. Okay. What a
All
pip.
right. Take it again.
Alright. 55 pip, 55 pip. YouTube saying it's blurry. You guys can refresh your screen on YouTube, please, if you're having it blurry, because everything is fine on my end. So if you're having it blurry, just refresh or check the settings icon on YouTube and ensure that you select the quality you want. Don't leave it on auto, just select the highest quality settings that's there and you should be good.
Yeah,
Scalping.
up. Guys, would you go?
Yeah, gold is up. Gold is up. Unless someone took a
Done, you
late
up?
entry.
I took it. Done, you up? On step away.
Yeah, so
Nah, yo, nah, bro. Up on my. All right, hold on, wait. Let me check. Let me check.
you took gold?
Um, on my first entry, no, but on a earlier entry, yeah. Only like one. I like three entries on gold. Up like 170 on one, 500 on one. The next one on negative like 1800.
Oh, that's the
That was the
first one.
late one. That was the late one I took.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. But
I'm
the other
late.
two,
So I'm down 200, 300 now. So should be fine.
You guys working good, man.
yeah. Right now, I go get a coffee, but bro, with gold, I don't move from in front of the computer, man. Gold, nah, man. This shit is, bro. Nah,
Oh,
I worked too
GBP
hard to get
AUD.
this thing back up.
Um, GBP AUD. I can actually take this trade. Hold on.
That's one payment never traded in my life.
Never. It's a nice
No.
pair, you know.
Yeah,
Gotta pay a
Yeah,
nice man,
man.
yeah,
No,
man.
smooth, 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 smooth.
for
Mm-hmm.
real.
Yeah,
I could
man.
eat from that
And
pay,
and
man.
and when it's a trend, it trend. Like you just set your thing and go about your day, and you're all
Nah, I ain't know about that one, though. That's you crazy, man. No way.
Let me add it. Let me add it.
Yeah. That and go? Nah, man. I ain't got that kind of belly yet, bro. That is belly, bro. That is belly. I mean,
Damn.
I'm gonna add this to my chat and see what it look like.
Yes, yeah, man. We're doing the sell. This should be a nice little. This is 40 pip, but might get a little more.
you jumping in that one?
20 pip, yeah, man. It should sell.
Yeah, let me
Based
see if
off
my
of a
account can handle
4 hour.
that. She. And if my account can handle that.
Just going, just going smaller. But if it can't, then you just leave it alone. But don't cry.
See, I'm going to the sell for this.
Yeah, man, for GA
Yeah.
right now.
Hold on. Hold on. I'll
GAGA.
put
I do have
magic
five
keys.
lots on that.
I'll put a five. Yeah, yeah, man, I put five lots, but I got magic keys. Start this up. Here we go.
Go looking nice, man.
You take the sell already, or are you waiting?
Take it,
Who,
man.
me? No, I take the sell already.
Hold on.
Well, we have no less a 20 pip stop loss.
Yeah, yeah. All right, gold running.
I think I missed the entry for that. So,
For what? GA?
um, yeah.
Got no
I mean,
entry, man.
it's still in the same area, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's still in the same
20,
area.
21 pips. All right, 21 pips.
And I say it should sell, so I'm holding it.
Hey, one thing though, this magic key, it to tell me, Jerome, there's a how much percent chance you lose this trade? Now it says 0.0% because me enter if you sell,
Mhm.
now if you buy, and it
Mhm.
just said you have a 0.0% probability of losing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That,
If me
that,
take a buy.
oh. All right. Well, let's see which one. Let's
I
see
don't
what.
know.
Let's see what your
Uh,
magic keys have to say.
me not enter, me go watch your magic key say. Magic
And
key.
overall, I think it depends on the time frame too, you know, that you use magic keys and um
Oh, so me have it on the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour.
uh, so maybe the 1 hour tell us something different. It's just like
Yeah.
you're using an indicator, man. You know, one time frame might say one and the other time frame say something completely different, you know?
You know, Nollis always talk shit that you do use indicators.
No, no,
Shit.
no,
I
no.
kinda love them, bro. You know what I mean? I was trying not to I try to
They
learn my work.
they
But
have they
shit,
have too much they have too much indicators. And
Yeah, it's
if
too
I
much,
try
man.
this one and I don't like it, then someone go say, yo, try this one, and then try this one. And I'm like, all right, that's
Damn,
Don't.
my
enough.
account clear up, man. My account clear up. Jeez, outer negative. Jesus, God, thank God, bro. I said,
Oh.
bro, it's like a negative 4 grand, man. Like, yeah, right?
Yeah, I feel bad, but down 2 grand, so I'm gonna
Yee.
make that back right
I
now.
was a negative 4 grand, man. Like, Jesus. I
Yeah,
want positive
I down
overall.
two
So
grand.
some of them are negative still, but overall I'm positive. So, jeez, I could go get my coffee, man. Damn.
Down 2 grand, so I was like, man. All right,
Yeah,
no worries. Go,
feeling.
go do some nice moves. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, man.
All right, now let's see if I was non-aligned with you here right now.
Hmm. You're
I done
close.
close off everything, bro. I done close, I done close off every, bro. It's only because I hear I holding these things. Once I go back on positive, I was closing out everything, son.
No, man, you're shooting yourself. Cause the thing is, right? You see, you hold through negative, so we hold through the drawdown, and then as
Lane
soon
go any
as it reach
positive. Yeah,
positive, you're close. There's a difference doing it. You see, if you genuinely realize that it's a bad trade or it's a bad entry,
mm-hmm.
then if you just wait until you come back to positive and close, that's fine. Because you in yourself understand and realize that, yo, I just took a bad entry, so I just want to get out. But if it's your trade that you analyze and say, yo, this is the trade I enter in, and you get some drawdown, then when it go positive, man, enjoy it.
Enjoy it, but I jump out of that and look for something else. And then when I go back, so everything went sweet. I was like, Jesus Christ, man.
Tom,
Yeah.
where you from?
Maybe I'm chinny.
Trini, man.
Yeah. Yeah. As I see this in positive, I look up everything and I start to look for a next trade somewhere. Cause I was like, nah, cause I hate to go in Jordan, man. But with you know, again to love the Jordan because everything the problem I think was risk management, like I was taking too big of a lot so I couldn't take the drawdown.
Hmm.
Yeah, but with we're managing the risk properly. So actually I went all 4 grand in drawdown and had like 5 trades open. So
Hmm.
normally I'll have one trade and 4 grand in drawdown with 10 pips, you understand?
Hmm.
And you'd be like, yo, let the thing run on. I was like, nah, you're on negative. You're like, how though? How you on negative, man? It's like 10 pips just because I'll use like 40 lots, 66 lots, you know?
Oh, you go heavy.
Just, yeah, just trying to, just like quick, like, but it never works, bro.
Yeah, man. Cause even the other day, you scare me when you're saying that you're down. I'm like, how
Yeah,
how are you supposed to down? And
as I
then
was using 40 lots, bro.
when I see the trade going in the direction now, and by the time I reach, I take up Telegram to say give you a message to say, yo, you're in profit now, right? I realize you sent me a message that you close it.
Yeah, I sent you a screenshot of what was going on
Uh,
because,
I'm like, yo, but you could have, like, if you had just stayed in like 5 more minutes,
yeah,
literally
boy,
5 more minutes, you'd have
that would
double
have
whatever
been,
whatever you were down in negative by.
listen to me,
It's
yeah.
the risk management. You just gotta love
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
risk.
yeah, yeah. I realized that. Like after I see what went on with you there, I
Hmm.
was like, wait now, boy. This whole thing is just risk management because
Uh,
honestly, like
yeah, what's your screen with
every
with
trade I
the
take, it is going profit. Every trade, right?
Hmm.
But I could never hold the drawdown for it to come back. Never.
And
Because it's
it's not a lot of drawdown. It's just
no, it's
the
not a
lot
lot. It's like maybe
size.
10, 16 pips, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
But with the lot size, I have it going down to like 3, 4 grand just with them pips. So but now, like how I use 10 lots, right? I can hold that drawdown for a while.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? Now I do use 10 lots. But now how messing with you with the lives here now. Again, I control it all better, but oh boy. Yeah, you live and you learn, man. You live and you learn. Like you see like this happen, going back in the negative like 400. I'll be like pissed. I'll be like, damn, I should have closed this off, man. You know what I mean? All right, look at going back positive. Yo, these are the things that has been messing with me.
But
Yeah. So now with the proper lot size now, I'll hold this out to all 8, 9 grand. I'll hold this out to. You understand me? Hey,
mm,
for loss, but I'll hold it out like, like how this you tell me like a 30 pip stop loss. Like, you crazy? What's that? But hey, it's normal now because I had the proper lot size, yeah.
yeah, yeah, that's it. Cause some person can't hold a drawdown based on the lot size that they use. Even if it's 10 pip. You know,
Nah,
so
10 pips here is 4 or 5 grand, yeah, you crazy?
yeah, yeah, it's it's
When I
it's
enter, all I want is like 5, 6 pips, bro. When I enter with a 66 lots, I just want 5, 6 pips and I close, right?
uh,
That is all I want to do, just get in and get out. But it was always going in negative, man. And
so you probably have to just do breakout trading then, like.
yeah, I just want to scalp. You see how you just hold trades and you go about your day and nah, bro, I not into that. Nah, I want to get my money and leave. I don't want to leave nothing running. I don't want to do nothing. I don't have time. Yeah, wait. So today, like how we was on the live the other day, and I see you hold them trades. I was like, I do some analyzing on US card, and I was like, you know what? Let me hold the US card for like a couple hours.
Mhm,
Yeah, and I went up. I went up 6 grand. So I was like, wait, and I take like a 10 lot, right? A 10 lot.
mhm,
Yeah, from this morning, like maybe like or like 7 o'clock this morning, and I just closed it up early on when we started. And I was
yeah,
up like 6 grand. So I was like, damn, this is a better thing to do, boy.
yeah.
Instead of acting crazy and I cannot be in front of the computer all day. It's just
No, cause remember, mine is if a scalp, you have to be at your system, cause you can't just enter and say, all right, it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down and leave it. Scalp, you have to sit and ensure that you get the entry and you get the exit.
yeah, and that's only 5 minutes has to be on all the time, just only 5 minutes. Well, it's 24 or only 30 minutes, but normally I always only 5 minutes. And I do trade on like I just trade on the computer on the MetaTrader. Like when I mark up the chart,
Mhm,
like I send a chart any Telegram there and from trading view, but normally it's my MetaTrader that markup, with the trend lines and everything.
mhm.
Yeah, because that the thing is so off with these
Oh.
challenges on them.
Mhm,
Everything's so off. The trading view and the MetaTrader,
mhm.
they're off bad, man. Like by 6, 8 pips. You understand?
Hey,
Oh,
this is somebody do a goal by a while ago and posted 50 lots. Yo,
yeah. Probably a
I,
scalp.
They're not
I,
bad, bro. They're
I
not bad.
crazy.
Like something I'll do, bro. The highest lots ever used was like 96 lots. And I lose my whole account one time, bro, because yo, I was seeing all kind of people saying, yo, take this thing, take this. I went all on trading view, right? I said, nice. I will pass this challenge one time, bro. And I
That's
do 96 on was US 30.
96 on US 30.
Yeah. And it went up like it shoot up like 9 grand. And bro, when I go to close it, bro, that was it, man. I just see a alert pop up and say, um,
Trading failed.
yeah, fail, yo, the thing closed off itself. I didn't even get a chance to close it or nothing. It just closed itself, bro. I was
Nah.
like, damn. Because my whole plan with the trading thing when I start was when I see what going on, I was like, yo, I just need to get in and get out like 2 seconds. But
Yeah, but what what
maybe you
what
could do it, but
what
when you
size
master it.
what size account was that though? The one with the 90 something
a
lot.
hundred, 100K.
100? You're crazy, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like 100K accounts, man. Them things is blow to yo. I need an account with room. I can't do the hundred
You
K,
need
bro.
a whole house.
I need like $1 million freaking
That
thing
that's the
so
only
I could
time
use
I've
some
ever used 100 lot was
on $1 million account.
on $1 million account. Well, it was I'm trying to remember if I used a 50 lot at 500,000 or it was at $1 million. I think it was at $1 million, but I know for a fact the 100 lot was on the $1 million. I, 1 million account. I
Yeah,
never I
man, I
never
will.
tried of that.
I trying to get like, you to get like a bunch of accounts and just, yo, the only thing is you don't have to get too crazy, you know. If you get like a bunch of accounts and just try to make like 2, 3 grand, 5 grand on one account every day, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
Yeah, bro. But you need to, when I master the thing, man, when I master the thing and I call you and I say, bro, I just make $500,000 today, you know what I mean?
That is it.
Because there's some big lot size on about 10 accounts. Trust
That
me.
is it.
For 2 seconds, bam,
But
in and out.
well, you just need one proper trade. Cause remember, all right, look at it. Remember that when I got the account um from you,
Hmm.
remember that the market was somewhere here, I think, right?
That should piss me off, bro. That should make me know that I
And
need
when
to
I
learn
was
this
telling
thing,
you to
bro.
hold it and whatever, and I said, all right, just send me the account, and
I was scared like a mother, bro. Yo, I was like,
I put in some entry, and so this leg right here, this is what passed your 250 account. The one I
all right,
passed for you on
yeah.
the GJ, it was this right here. Just entry, additional
Yo,
entry.
you see all them back and forth? I was texting you, yo, it going back. Yo, because I don't know if you I don't know if you was seeing it, right? So I was texting you in the telegram, yo, no, let's it pulling back, bro.
Hey,
'Cause I don't know.
Jerome,
So,
it's serious thing, you know. All right, so I was creating an account for him, right?
oh
Because I
gosh,
was
yeah.
telling him what to do on GG, and he was getting flustered and stuff. So I said, all right, here one, um, send the account, because I passed one with this leg, didn't take the buy, and was looking at this and talking with him while this was going on. I said, all right, send it to me, and he sent me the login. So took a trade at the break right here,
Mhm.
and was going down, and you know, I'm like, all right, trading. So while it was coming up back now, first message coming, yo, it going back, it going back. you know. So I'm like, so I didn't bother to reply to him, and I just started to ignore him.
Yeah, I say this guy like he fall asleep, man. I see no reply. I was like, damn, no, listen, he was going to sleep. So,
So even with all of that now, so even on the retest here, I did another position, right? And then it was like, all right. And then right here, I added a position here. And then I see another message coming. Yo, it's going back. So I'm like, yo, you know what? I'ma just
God.
knock it out. So if he was watching, I entered a 40 lot right here.
No, I wasn't logging with the account, you know. I
You
was just seeing I was just watching the charts.
Oh,
And
well,
I was
you'd
like,
probably have a heart attack because I entered a 40 lot right here. That went in a little bit of drawdown. Came back to this area, but it
yo,
was like it was like $4,000 drawdown. But
yo, because
overall,
remember, I had done loss already, you know. I had done loss. I it done retraced already on me like 5 grand, so I had done loss already. But you tell me, if you'd have text me to re-enter, I would have re-enter, bro.
no,
You
cause
know what I mean?
cause the thing is, when I saw the message that
Hmm.
you came on, I was like, yo, no way, cause it was just a little retrace, and
No, I went down like 5 grand and something.
yeah, but
Maybe the lot size too, the lot
you hold
size,
it,
you know.
man, you hold it. I tell you to hold it.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
hold it. I
But
hold it. If
so
you tell me
even,
hold it, I hold it. Whether I lost or not, I hold it. You tell me hold it. So I hold it, but it take
but
me
you
out.
just
Maybe
never
the
go back in.
no, no. But if you
Oh,
let's say yo, go back in, bro, I was going back in.
no, man. So that's why I took it from you, cause I'm like, all right, you know what? Let's take it
Bro,
now.
so we trade and here we start this live thing here is what how me holding trades now because bro, if I wasn't doing this, I ain't holding no trade, my guy. Once I go in negative, I coming out, you know, coming out.
No,
Because I don't want to be negative. But no, with how you
We
start
just
live
enter
thing here.
another position for goal again. So,
Yeah, man, we here and you're shooting the run.
so man, I just the stop loss. I mean,
oh,
see.
Yeah,
Like,
that Magic Key thing, I had that on silent. Like I was only use that on my laptop, but like how on my home computer here, nah,
yeah, how you
I
put
can't
that on
stop putting
silent?
manually.
It's like a real informer.
Yeah, boy, that thing's sickening.
Yeah, man.
How you silent
You
it?
go to your volume mixer.
Mm-hmm.
Where you have your sound, you right click volume mixer,
Yeah.
open volume
Mm-hmm.
mixer, and you see it. Once you have it on, it come up, and you just
Cause it
mute it.
loud, man. It loud over everything. I don't like that.
Yeah. Or if you don't see the magic
Mm-hmm.
keys, just mute your what you call it?
MetaTrader.
Yeah, MetaTrader. Yeah.
Alright, thank
Just
God.
Yeah, boy. Yo, I thought you did like the song. That's why I had it on there.
No, man, it's a real
Ah,
informer.
I thought you liked the song, and so I was like, damn, I don't like. In my mind, I was just like, damn, somebody actually liked the song, you know?
No, brother, it's a little
Ah,
informer. We just never know to turn it up.
ah.
Actually, me enter the second position, so we're up 600 now. I gonna make back that 2 grand and I just fail.
Yeah, man.
Bro, that's the wrong thing in the trading, man. That's like you sound like me, bro. When you talk like that, it's problems, man. I tell you, I do a trading thing one time, and I take like when I look at the account, I take like 160 something trades, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah, because I only in out, in out, in out, in out. As I
No,
do
I said
negative,
so. Me only trade 3 trades.
and I
It's like
lost.
I'm gonna go this now and I'll go one before, but now I'm gonna trade after this.
Mm,
It's up a bit.
Yeah, man. I
Oh.
do deal with them kind of
yeah,
rules.
man.
Them rules, fire upon them rules, boy. Nah, man. Mm-mm.
Yeah, I mean, I care if me see it melt like
Nah, man. You
what?
mad?
No.
Nah, man. You know, where you get an accent from? Your parents is Jamaican? Maybe your parents and them is Jamaican, man. That is not Jamaican talking there, man. Now hustler talking there, man. Nah, man, nah.
You
Nah,
have to
we in
develop
this
the
we in this to
psychology.
eat, bro. Nah, that psychology thing, that not the most important part, my lad. Like what they say. I want to say if he see it melting, he ain't going back in, you know. Nah,
No,
bro.
sir.
You're crazy.
If me see it melt, nah, go ahead. Leave it
That
alone.
YouTube talk, bro. That YouTube talks. And all them who saying that on YouTube, dog, they jumping in. Trust me. If they
Yeah.
have
Yeah, jump
confirmation that
in.
it actually gonna go down, up there, everybody had the confirmation, they going in, dog. Like
Mm.
if Nollis take a trade and he come out and see something going down and everything line up, bro. He jumping in. Nollis insane. And Nollis jumping in and going and sleep too. Trust me. He ain't even watching it. You know what I mean? Yeah, me now, I jump in it and my hand on the freaking trigger, waiting to jump out. Hmm.
Uh,
Nah. Maybe I might be like that when like a passive funded account and and it's
mhm.
actually um you're making money for the day already, yeah. Thinking about that part, yeah, but right now trying to pass challenges and give some money up, nah.
Yeah, man.
Mm-mm.
I mean, the thing is, you see, especially with challenges, you just want to pass it, and and
Yeah.
and then so you take your time, get past it, and then from
Yeah,
there,
passive funded challenge now. You say, you know
once you
what?
have the
Every
funding,
day I'll start with 1,000 a day or two, and then that's it. No matter what happen, that's it.
yeah, man.
And 'cause it's real money and will get paid. But for now to pass that, bro, anything is anything. Hmm.
This
Yeah,
is the only thing I like with gold. It's just not ready for move. Why?
yeah.
Psychology, man. Check the psychology, bro.
Taking out people. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Have people jumping in buys and sells, taking
Yeah,
out
come on, boy.
people.
You see a negative now, right? I'm telling
Hmm.
you.
Yeah, I mean, at the
No
end of
less
the
how me
day,
holding all this, bro. No less how me holding all this. Trust me.
yeah, I mean,
Because
stop
I
loss
done
is stop
gone long
loss, man.
time.
If it hits, it hits. Yeah.
Nah, if I hit my stop loss now, that will hurt, bro. Nah, no less. That can't happen, bro. Nah, this had oh good. It going
I
down
mean,
bad,
but
boy.
but some remember that you enter in positions from here, at the trend line and stuff. So you already got more than 10 pip right here. So
Yeah,
yeah,
but going back on the 10 pips.
yeah. So you just take it. Let's
Oh,
take
you
it.
mean on the minor position, on
y-
the other positions, you mean?
Yeah,
On
yeah,
the
yeah.
added positions? Oh, okay, okay.
But I mean, we have a lot of trades, man, where we have I can walk you through charts in a way where you see drawdowns and you know you'll be like, yo, I wouldn't hold it, but bro, the results are all right. So this one I moved it the other day. So this one was right here. Almost got taken out. Yeah, it was right above. Almost got taken out. Stop loss was at this little red line. But this wasn't anyone that was you're in stop loss for in Jordan for a long time. I'm trying to find one. Hold on.
Oh, we have been in Jordan a while and you just keep holding it.
Yeah, man. You got to believe in it, you know?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. You see, I need to develop a strategy that like I need to find something that work or continue just practicing until I get to understand the charts like you. But um, I don't want to be in it like you, like how you just hold and go sleep and for days. Nah, nah. I just need to get in and out,
I
man.
mean, you can do the snap.
But I still need to
You
understand
can do
what's
the
going on.
like intraday setups, where you don't necessarily have to hold it for days. You
Yeah, even
just
though
you
I'm a
just
study thing, I just wanna come in, so we on the thing tonight. Come in, make your money, and that's it. And and I want to trade any even like these times. I don't want to trade like New York session. Like my worst experiences is with New York session.
hmm
I don't know why, but yeah, my most losses was New York session.
oh
But like these times till like 3 o'clock, good, are good. I always make something. But when it hit like say like 7 o'clock in the morning till like nah,
mm
yeah. So
all right, let me
these
check.
times more calm and
Yeah, I mean, I mean,
because that's
a lot
my
of
most
people,
losses is New York.
believe that Asian session don't move or like trees don't happen in Asian or whatever, but that's
No
just a
man.
bunch of crap.
Using session is when you're using 90 lots and you watch it coming in slow and nice. You understand me?
90.
Yeah, there's when you use your big lots on like AU and stuff and you just watch it moving nice. GU, AU, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. But not 90, I just saying that, like
Oh,
when something moving slow, like if you have a slope here, when you put up your ATR and you see like it's just moving like 5 pips each candle. You
mm-hmm.
just your stop loss can be much smaller and everything in the Asian session.
Yeah, man. I mean, for me, a session is a session. The market gonna move regardless. Not because it's a session mean that that's the only time it's gonna move because we trade a lot of London session where there's not even a scalp set up for GJ. Not even a scalp. It's
Yeah,
just it's
sometimes.
just it's just garbage, like complete garbage.
Yeah, I like to mess with GJ in the afternoons,
Yeah, the only
5, 6 in the
one is
evenings.
like with it's like with your NAS and such, then those really do move in session. But for a currency pair, I mean, all you have to do is each currency pair has two currencies. So, especially if one is open at this time and one, it will just move more fluid,
Mm-hmm.
because one is closed, so you just have one driving instead of having them compete against each other. But GJ move right around. Every pair moves. It's just that it have to move in waves. And when a pair make a big move, you can't just expect another big move right away when news is not concerned, because remember that news just push it faster.
Yeah, these days I kind of like anything against the dollar these days.
Mm,
Lately, like before when I just started, I'd like like only European pairs, but these days is anything against the dollar. I kind of like,
hmm
you know.
Yeah,
So,
because then you just use the dollar and trade it, you know,
hmm
based on the fact that okay, you understand what is happening with the dollar,
hmm
so you can um go from there.
for real.
I search in my phone for a screenshot. I saw show. Cause the thing is, I just realized that on the chart I don't have it no more, but on it's not on the chart because I had cleaned my chart because it had gone too messy. But
hmm
I want to explain to you, and let me go back to when gold was at 17.
Right now with this gold trade, with all these positions I have with the AU, with the GA, with the card, because I'm a card trade too, up like 1,000 on the US card. Right now, tonight we had to pass this session here, this first phase and this thing, bro.
Mm.
Everything's
Oh,
staying open.
yeah, man.
So once it go, it's supposed to go. Shit, it's supposed to get crazy. Because I have what, one, two, three, four, five trades open. All 10 lots. So, well, one 5 lot is the GA. And nearly everything is only two positive. Let me see. No, yeah, some gold positives, man.
My goal stuck. Why?
Some gold positives, man. I want two, three gold positives,
When I
400,
have two
600, 400.
negative.
Yeah, only one negative goal I
I
have
know it
right
got
now.
positive.
One negative goal right now. So you see, Nollis, you think I should close off? You see the ones that in profit,
Mhm.
or leave them. So there's where you're saying that ones that go in profit, I should close them off.
Well,
The ones that are
all right.
take on the retrace.
To ease your mind, yes. Close them off.
No, 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 no. I like these sessions, man, because these sessions here, I learning to deal with it, man. Yeah, man. No,
Yeah.
I learn just these little sessions here, I learn a lot because I'm telling you, all now I would have never been up with no trade. I would have just, and then you see me texting you like, bro, I need to talk to you, man. Like, going crazy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, that's you for
But
real.
like, how we doing this here? Um, I realizing one big thing was the risk management, the lot size. So
All right,
that's why I
so
text and say, yo, what lot to use? And when I realized I could hold way more, I could like
hmm
all these things on like 30 pips thing, I could hold way more drawdown.
all right, so this is 4 hour, right? But let me go back. I found this screenshot, so I want to show you I want to show you something. I found the screenshot. So 1 hour time frame.
Jesus Christ, look what gold doing. Jesus Christ, bro. Yo, don't stop me out there, my G. Jesus.
Take it easy, man. All right. So there was there was a break and a retest here. This was a retest for the 1 hour, but
Mm-hmm.
I took it based off 4 hour time frame. So my
All right,
entry
gold going up like gold on like 20 something pips now. Like gold retracing really bad now.
12:45. All right, I just want to check on goal. All
All
right,
right,
so
yeah.
this was a trade. 150 pips stop loss. Based on this, I had it falling, seriously falling down to the 1600s. Right. this was a this was a retest, but I missed the retest. I got in the retest with a small lot, and then I entered. a bigger lot size on this retest right here. Right? So this is 150 pip stop loss for the small lot. Then on this retest right here now, I entered with 100 lot right here.
Jesus Christ.
Right? And look at drawdown. This was the 1st of September to the 22nd of September. Not this right? The 13th. So from the 1st to the 13th,
So long you hold that for?
I've been in drawdown using the same 150, using the same stop loss. But from this level now, it was 300, 300 pip. That was the stop loss, right? But this was a swing trade for me. So I was fine. Yes, the drawdown was, so this was like over over 300,000 drawdown, but didn't hurt me because I knew what I was looking for to the 4 hour time frame. That's 800. I'll come out a replay now. Let's go forward and see. So all I did is more pullback. I added positions to gold
Jeez. Yeah, things turn out crazy then.
and I close it. I close it here right at 16, 17, 17. Yeah, right about there. So it's
Was it like,
900
like
pip
what, 2 weeks?
this. Yeah. Yeah, it's over 2 weeks.
Jesus.
So I'm right here. I held all of this with this position, with this entry here, and with the entry here again, because the analysis was that it was gonna fall, and my biggest trade on gold, or my biggest trade or longest trade, was from here, this retest right here. I held this all the way down to this level.
Like different months?
Yeah, man, months. And this was sent in a signals chat at the time, and I told them to hold it. But some persons got cold feet.
Bro, because you crazy. I see you send something in the signal chat talking about you should be 200 pips up. I was like, what is man talking about, bro?
Yeah,
This guy
so
crazy.
this was over 3,000 pip from this point
You
to
see?
this. I exited when I got the second, when I got the double bottom, and it was starting to reject. I told them to close it, but this
Wherever you gotta drink, you gotta send it up, man.
it was
Because
a good one. I mean, when you get them setups, you just
mhm,
take advantage of it, because the only
yeah,
thing that really pisses me off right now with even this Nas trade, right, is the fact that I didn't have funds in the broker account that I use to trade indices with this Nas trade,
oh,
because I would have been in from this candle. And even if I got
mm,
in here, even $1,000 account with a 0.01 lot size with that broker, then this would have been well over $3,000.
yeah, that was them 500 to one, like
You know,
Hugo's, man, all them crazy people,
yeah,
man,
and KOT.
yeah.
So I use KOT for that.
I see somebody have like a $3,000 leverage, 3,000 pip leverage,
Hmm.
3,000. I don't know who's that, but who's KOT? Well, how much they have? How much
Uh, I
KOT have?
think it's
Five? 1 to 5?
1 to 500.
Ah, okay, okay. Uh,
I think it's 1 to 500. But they're good for indices and such.
Spread low.
Yeah.
Yo, gold spike up there, bro. I don't know, but take out some people out and like
Yeah, so that is it. But
for
if I had
months.
even 500 in this account, I'd have been well up, 'cause I would have smacked it. 'Cause
Whenever you see your next one of them, let me know, man. I'll see how enter one
Now let's just say
a
something.
regular
all
account.
right, yeah, that's the only way I trade. That's the only way I trade indices on big moves.
Long term.
Yeah, because even this right now, it can retest this level before going, but I wouldn't be interested in the retest based on what I'm,
Right.
over.
You have to
Because
take your
here's the
profits
thing
and
with
that's
me.
it.
Sometimes I get caught up, to be honest, and every time I get caught up, I end up not remembering that, it's a small time frame, or we're doing a scalp for that specific pair, so
Mm-hmm.
I will get in the smaller time frame and say, all right, I'm bringing it to here, and then I'm like, okay, we're probably gonna retest another level to go up, not remembering that, yo, this is just a pullback on the higher time frame to continue. No,
Mm-hmm.
so I did a similar thing with GU. So this was GU. So overall, I had a sell for GU. Well, this is where it started. There was a position down here. I don't know what happened to it, but I was like, price gonna play around in here and then go for a buy, which it did. Breakout gave the buy. Cool. But overall, I was sells. So I entered this sell and had it um, down, right? Playing around in the consolidation. This now is where I entered the swing. But along the swing, there were trades in here, right? Just like this one, you see, I entered a buy, got some profits off of it, but I was like, okay, final TP gonna go back up to, probably close to the entry of the
Mm-hmm.
swing trade, you know. But it's easy to get caught up when you're trading like this, because the overall move is a swing based on what price is doing. But then you're getting some minor moves in between, minor moves in between. So looking at it now, this right here was a total of 100 and I believe I close it right here. It's 190 pip there. For this one, it was it was 180 some pip, and you see a buy here again, going back up for just about 80 pip, right? Now this sell was a long-term one that we had going, but it only came down to the 194. Profits were taken, yes.
Oh, so you came out, you didn't go back
No
and
man,
hold it lately.
still holding this.
Oh,
This is still running,
shit.
right? But in
Yo,
between,
you crazy, bro. I'm telling you. You crazy.
in between, we taking it. So this right now, as you see, this is another um long position.
So you marking up that going down and up, and you still staying in the long term one that going down.
Yeah. So even right here, took a little buy to go back up, just to retest this area for the sell
And
overall.
you're still in the overall trade.
Yeah, yeah.
Shit.
Give me just a minute.
Mm-hmm. Code on a freaking mission, bro.
All right, yeah. Sorry about that.
Mhm.
Yeah, so this is risky, but because most times you just get caught up. But you see the difference is you see when it's in a zone like where it's consolidating, then it's easier, especially if you mark it off, then it becomes easier because you have it in mind already that you're going from top to bottom, top to bottom.
Mhm.
Yeah, well, the overall thing for me was a sell. So that is why it looked like this. So it's not all trades you gonna hold or gonna be good to hold, but when you get them, you just get them and you take advantage of it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to keep at it with you there. That didn't sound bad. That is, different. You could do so much of your trading like that, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know,
That's
to be
that. That's
sweating it and,
exactly
in
so
front of the
that.
computer all day and you're there, mark up and
Mm,
place your trades, you place your alerts, and you're good to go. Life goes on.
yeah, because the thing is, um, oh, so with the trade that I was telling you about with the gold, it wasn't 100 lot, it was 50 lots. I found the screenshots. I used four positions.
That works, bro.
Um, 50
That
lot, 50
works.
lot.
50 lot, four positions.
Um,
Sheesh.
yeah. So, all right. Let me send this to myself so I can probably share it. But I had drawdowns, but I didn't. I'm trying to remember if I had screenshot the drawdown, because I like to screenshot the drawdowns, especially when you're in drawdowns and then you know
Mm-hmm.
you know that it's going to turn, so you just screenshot the drawdown and use it to laugh later on.
You laugh at yourself, right?
Yeah,
And be like, you can't
'cause
believe you hold that out.
yeah, 'cause it happened, it happened. 'Cause I mean, at the same time, I'm not gonna say that I don't feel no way about a drawdown, of course, but it just not it just don't feel a way enough to say pull the position,
Right, right.
because you know what's gonna happen, but you still don't like the fact that you're in drawdown.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Um. s-
You get take out on goal, you get stop out on goal.
Yeah. Yeah. I think let me go back to it because it's moving like a whoosh. Oh. Oh.
I don't know where it's going though.
All right. Let's see.
They're not really supposed to be going up there right now.
Oh, probably another
Right now it's
rejection.
supposed to be right now it's supposed to go up no higher than this here. But it wasn't even to reach up here, so it's crazy.
All right. So. Wait, took a hit on gold. This one. Hmm. Let's see where it can go. All right. Someone asked about prop firm. Which prop firm are you guys using? Um, we use what's this? What's this one again, Jerome?
The funded trader.
Yeah, so the funded trader, Fidel Crest, and my Forex funds. Yeah. All right. Let's see. All right. So gold is doing its thing. Um, so what happened with it? All right. Oh. All right. Let's see how it react to this area. Let's see
We
how.
just swipe out everything, bro. All positions, bro. Just come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just jump back in there again, bro. Catch it up high this time. I miss if I could just get to settle back and make back something here.
Hmm.
Sheesh, I don't low, bro. Take me out. 8 grand.
You went back in gold?
hmm I just jumped back in when it reached up there when it started to come back down a little bit here.
All right. I'm gonna see what's up. Oh, I said I was gonna show you a screenshot.
What's that?
Yeah, YouTube shouldn't have a problem because it's not live. It's not live money. And I'm showing you guys it's alright. Alright, we're gonna look for some new setups. No worries. Um let's
That is spread wide like a mother. What are you messing on? So,
hold on, where's that email?
Right, like me now, right? Like how I was in them positions there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me now. See, I wasn't online here with you guys. All now I only moving my stop loss, bro. Saying like, yo, that shit gonna go back down. It gonna go back down. And just move the stop loss.
Did I just keep moving it?
Yeah, because I don't want to get takeout. You understand me?
Oh, no, no. You
Yeah,
see?
let me see. 40 something pips.
Set the stop loss, man. And
No, no, I get takeout already, but I said now, like if I wasn't here online, right?
mm-hmm.
When I
No.
do it and I see it going against me, I'd have been
Mm-hmm.
like, you know what? I'll watch the markups and I'll be like, yo, nah, it gonna go back down and I'll keep moving the stop loss to make sure I don't get stop out and lose, you know what I mean?
Oh, no, but you need confirmation though. If you're moving it, you need confirmation. Why you're moving it.
All right.
It has to make sense.
Mm,
Yeah, don't just move it.
right, right.
Make it make sense. But all right, I have
I
a
wonder if I lose this account, boy. Let me see if I lose this account before. Got these things on them.
all right. So
Let me see something. Let me log in and see
I
if I
should be
still
able
have
to
this
see my
account.
screen.
Wait, hold on. Just let me just check something quick. Cause sometimes you're still trading these things and it not even active, bro. I'm telling you. All right, not bad. All right, now I'm at 3% still. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so this was the entry I was the ones from the top. So when price was up 17
Mm-hmm.
hundred, right? This this sell, oh boy, this was drawdown because I entered here.
Hey, so quiet up here.
So it went right back. But these three positions was entered from here,
Jesus
and I held
Christ.
them. Well, no, two was entered here on the break right here, and then this one was entered here, and then I held it, entered this one when I was breaking down. Be like, all
I'm
right,
right
we're
back.
good.
Man, this shit changed life here, man.
Yeah, and then got some major drawdowns, but that was fine. Once we weren't breaking above this area, I was fine. Um, and then so you see all the dates show you back in October.
Yeah, man, that one changed life there, man.
So it's $1 million account.
Yeah, that one changed life there because you see them, you see that goal and you look at, you just have to look at the numbers on the side and the lots, bro, and you know
Mm,
that different.
yeah, so you
That ain't
see,
no
so
joke.
it worked out. Overall, that trade was I think it closed at 1.5
Mm.
for these, and you know it
And how
could have
long you
gotten
wasn't
there.
that here for? How long
Um,
this trade run?
this one I didn't hold it for too long for on this account because this was what the third. Let me see if I can get some dates. And date not showing. 9:35. 9. This was the day before 10. Yeah, so I think it took some time, but I think this was about within a week, if I get it right. Within a week, going to, because this one I didn't hold it all the way, because this wasn't my account, and when the person logged in and checked it, he was like, yo, 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 close it, close it, close it, close it. So we just closed it out. So I didn't get to hold this one all the way, like what I did with the smaller
Good thing you
account.
didn't see the drawdown before. Because he'd have cry.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Cause what happened? What
Yeah.
happened? It gave the account to someone else. Before when I got the account, it was at um 800,000. So the person lost 200,000 and him just lose it and say, oh, taking the account from that person.
Mm.
So I got it at 800. So made it back a little over the million to start with. So that's why it was at 1.1. And then, so when I saw all of that now, it was like, yo, yo, close it, close it, close it.
For real.
Yeah, but I mean, when you get like the good long setups, it pays to hold it, you know?
Mhm.
If it's a day, some gonna be a day, some gonna be a few days, you know. Each trade is different, you know, so you just take it a trade at a time, you know. Use each trade to decide. You don't try to use an overall thing to say, you know, all trades, you treat all trades the same in terms of holding or not holding. I mean, swing traders make money, scalpers make money, you know, so It's just what works best for you. You
For
know,
real.
it might not necessarily work.
Me, I'll be in and out. That's it.
Yeah.
In and out.
The
In and
thing
out.
is,
But
in
I feel like how
it
you that
work,
them things you have there,
Yeah.
yeah, them things you have there, yeah, I could run them on some small positions. Yeah. Maybe you do a 5 lot and leave them things to run,
Mhm.
but yeah.
When I do the in and out, what happen with me is I get caught up, you know,
Caught up
because
as anyone busy.
no, because so in and out is like okay, you have a little. To me, you have a little. I'm not sure if I should say gambling or what, but it just rubs me the wrong way, cause it's so quick.
There's more chance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're
It,
taking out, yeah. Of
yeah,
course, of course. I know what you mean.
end
Yeah.
up doing too much,
Hmm.
cause we jump in, make our money, and then all right, we jump out, and you know, it's just like that. And I'm like, yo, so for me it works, but I have to say, all right, it's like how we're on the session and I say we're just taking these trades or whatever, then fine. But to sit down and look at it and say, scalping, and when I catch this move, I'm gonna catch a next one, and I'm gonna catch a next one, and I'm gonna catch a next one until you start losing.
Oh, so you're better. Your more skill is actually swing trading. That's where
Yeah,
you're better
the
at.
intraday
Yeah,
setups
better
are
the
fine.
intraday. Right, right, right.
Yeah, so I hold it for a day or two, then because sometimes the market move fast to give you 100 pip. Because most of the trades that I send, even for signals, we target 100 pip, um, for like a take profit three, sometimes more. In most cases, because most times I have like five or so take profit. But I mean, you set it away where take profit one give you like 30 pip. So therefore, if you're someone who is the in and out type of guy, you just take it at take profit one and go about your day. You know, you have
Hmm.
no reason sitting down waiting for other take profits when you're not that type of person and you get impatient because even on Telegram, I have a bunch of people saying, yo, signal shot and they're making money and all of that good stuff. And then I have one and two person who reaching out to me and saying that they're losing off a signal and whatever. And I'm like,
Yeah, because they want to scalp, and your signals ain't a scalp, bro.
exactly, because
Yeah, your signals is not a scalp. I
it
realize
bother
that.
me. Because me say,
Yeah,
how can you lose on something when it
you
hasn't
got to
hit
let them
stop
know they got to
loss?
hold your trade. But you just hold trades. Like this here, like this goal here, these trades we just lost. Are like I would have never hold it. You understand me?
Mm,
I'd have take my losses early and call it a day. But you just hold it, and bro, everybody can't deal with it. You know,
no.
right now, my boy pissed. I ain't hearing him at all. He pissed. You understand me?
Jerome.
Yo, I ain't hearing him at all. He must be gone and sleep, man. Like, yo,
No
man.
man, I'm still there. I'm still there. I'm still there. Still here.
Yo, I'm telling you. So, yeah, like me, like, nah. But it don't look bad. It don't sound bad. He holding it out and,
Mm,
instead of being in front of the charts all the time, it's not bad. But me, I don't need that. I just need to come in, see what's going on in the market, get what I get, and that's it.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like,
It
I
works,
don't know if
because
it's, I don't know.
scalping is good. A lot of persons do it, you know. It
Hmm.
works. It works. I can't lie, can't go against it. It works, but
Use
it's
some
not for
bigger lots.
everyone.
Yeah, use some bigger lots. Take where to take an hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes over, and
Yeah,
that's it,
because
man.
when you see like even on IG or so, you see some person post some trades, and you see like some you see like some 30, 20 lots. You know, you see like it's like some 2,000. So it's some big lots, but the money not so big. So it's like $2,000. You know that yo, this person been scalping out hell because you realize because for you to open a trade with 20 lot and close it at $2,000, it means that the trade didn't really move.
Yeah, you get 2 4 pips and that's it.
Mm,
Yeah, that's it. I don't need to go, bro. I don't need to get is 10 pips. That's it. 20 pips is like highest TP for me then because I want crazy lot size and a short time and
yeah,
that's it.
yeah,
Yeah,
and I
I
mean
don't need the
if that
100 pip,
works,
the 200 pip. Nah,
yeah.
I could make the same money, a crazy lot, a nice account, and 5 minutes in the market
Hmm.
or 2 minutes in the market. That's it.
Yeah,
Yep.
and if that works for you, it works for you. You know,
Yeah.
as I say, everybody is not the same.
Yeah. Nice breakout, and that's it. Good to go.
Cause that's the only reason I don't scalp full time. Cause I know that it's something I struggle with to say, all right, just go in and do this and then just go out
Yeah.
your day. Like scalping to me, it's hard to just
I
scalp
struggle with holding
without.
trades, like holding that goal there. Shit.
Mm,
I'd not go get my coffee because,
uh,
it had me couldn't move, but I hold it out,
mm-hmm.
Something to get over too, because there is signs of whatever. I don't know what the signs are, but there's something to get over. So,
Yeah,
hmm
I mean,
like
it it it's a game of constant, you know,
as they
improvement
say,
per se.
probability.
Yeah,
Nothing is promised. So nothing is promised.
that's it really. So you just have to, cause sometimes, and then sometimes you just have a lot to do with what the market is doing. Cause
I find
sometimes
everything
it's just
slow down right
trash.
now, though.
Yeah, cause
Everything
it's
kind of
not
slow down
moving
right
right
now.
now. It's not
hmm
moving.
Everything just slow down. Everything. Yeah, it's like right now it's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Everything just like it on pause.
Waste about 6 o'clock.
Right now, the market acting like it's 6 in the evening.
Oh.
Like GJ, everything just like on pause, bro.
Hmm.
Look, let me go down to let me see the 1 minute chart. Look at this. Nothing moving, man. Like everything just,
Yeah.
yeah, everything just slow down and like stop now. So I think a lot of people not trading this week too because of the all the news this week.
Hmm.
News all over this week. US, Hong,
Oh
Japan,
snap! As you
everybody.
talk about news, tomorrow should be FOMC, you know?
Yeah, in the morning on news again.
Yeah. So
Mhm, 8
tomorrow,
o'clock in the morning.
that's why gold, that's why gold acting funny.
Yeah, payrolls, unemployment, non-farm payrolls, all them things is in the morning. So,
That's and we have GBP news at 2 o'clock.
hmm
So that's in 40 minutes.
lots of news this week, man. This week was different.
Should be interesting. And then, the BOJ press conference is still tentative, so no time for that yet. And then we have CAD news 8:30 US 8:30. Well, all right. So 8:30 gonna be crazy, crazy time.
Yeah, nice still in three trades, whatever it is, I ain't coming out. Whatever in news, I staying in the trades in them hands. You still in that goal. I still
Mm.
in US CAD and I'm in the GA.
No, you don't need to come out because of news. You just adjust your stuff accordingly. You know.
Yeah, everything's staying as it is. I need to maybe put in a take profit because I don't really put in take profits. I just put in stop losses. and try and let them run, but yeah, close them manually. But for the news, I might put in take profits in case it will get a nice spike up to, you know,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Oh, well, let's see. We're gonna make some money on GJ at 2 o'clock. Um, depending on how it's moving closer to the time. So, let's see, 12, 1, 2 o'clock. All right, I'm gonna stay on a little bit after. We're gonna catch GJ um for 2 o'clock. Gonna see what the news gonna do. Not gonna use. Well, depends on what happens prior to that. May or may not use analysis um on it. Let me see something. Probably just trade it as a breakout because it could go for the buy as well as it could reject. Boy, if it just breaks through though, then this is just trash. Cause look how many rejections we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we had a lot of rejections here. So if price just breaks through, and that's just a trash move. But it's possible because, as I say, overall, I'm looking at buys on GJ. It's just that I would have loved to see GJ come back into this area before before actually buying.
Mm,
But this little break and retest was a good one, and then a little retest at this zone as well, and the 30 minutes, 15 minutes was a good one. And then the fact of how it's playing now, it's you know, I believe most persons would have closed because I had said that to put stop loss at break even. So believe most persons are currently out at GJ, but I'm still waiting to see what happened. That's me.
mm,
So I want to see what happened. I want to see if, he actually reaches out, take it out, and then adjust accordingly. So price came down, came up, created a resistance, failed to break, came down, made a lower wick, breaking above this candle. 30 minutes. It's looking good for for buys, but not pulling the trigger on no buys as yet because it's not completely out of the woods for me. It's not.
for real, for
Yeah,
real.
it's not. So even though I scalp, I don't just be jumping into trades or jumping out because then you're gonna get trapped into something similar to just gambling or just,
Mm-hmm.
betting per se. So I have to see something substantial.
I mean, how much is this a US card?
But we're gonna make some money with news though.
Yeah. Mm.
That's a fact.
Yeah, might as well. We always might as well look into the account and pass the second phase one time, one time tonight.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Well, we're gonna take it.
Add it online here. What you doing? You're gonna come off and come back 2 o'clock, or you staying on?
No, no, stay. I'm
Oh,
staying. If I come off, boy,
it's over.
it's over. So
Alright.
I
Log
just,
in.
I just staying on. But GJ. All right. I
What
think
which trade which trade we gonna be trading with the news? Let me set this
GJ.
thing up.
GJ. All right.
GJ.
So
All right.
All right. So we had closed this already. Let's go for a buy on GJ. Um.
GJ. All right. Let me put in this. Hold on. Let me log this thing in here.
Yeah.
All we need is what, 5%? All
Yeah.
right.
Let's go for a buy on GJ, guys. So, cause it's breaking above. It makes no sense to
Two, one, nine,
sit. Yeah.
two,
Looks
one,
good.
nine. Yeah, we can't be scared now. We trading. It is what it is.
Yeah. So, all right. So, entering buys on GJ right now. Uh-huh. Let's see. It says stop loss 20 pip. Just the same. Let me mark off 20 pip take profit. Let's do this.
Somebody asking to lower your music there, guy. They can't hear you on the YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, your music just be loud for real.
Must be earlier though. I don't have nothing playing right now. Hold on, let me
Uh
check.
uh 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 uh.
Let me
I
check.
just switch over online and I see a comment.
Oh,
That
oh
must be
yeah.
earlier for real.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Earlier it was playing up and it was no, you guys don't hear it though. Um
Uh.
no, just YouTube. 'Cause when I just started I wasn't talking.
Oh, okay. All right, my guy. We log into this thing here. We'll be going for a buy on GJ.
Yeah, yeah.
GJ. Damn, you enter already?
Yeah.
Well, what lots we going with here today?
Um let's see.
Start with a 10 on
10
two.
is 10. Yeah, it's GJ. Is that at 10 with that stop loss is just about 1500 or so. Um, all right.
All right. Well, what is that? 62,887.
20 pips at 163,287.
163.
Yeah, that's 20 pips.
What did you say? 163?
Yeah, 163,287.287.
No, 162, you mean?
No, man. You said take profit.
Oh, no. Stop loss. Stop
Oh,
loss.
stop loss 162,887.
Yeah. I want that same, but like, I'm going crazy, right? All right. Um, all right. I think profit is 163,487. 163.
All right, so pullbacks possible to this area and then
We jump in. We up it.
yeah, it should
We
be.
up in it and you pull back.
Yeah, I like to look on the possibilities just in case it happen. I don't really freak
Mm,
out. So, yeah.
Alright, so it's a nice little small buy here we doing here.
Yeah.
10 lots are down 6 pips right now. Alright. If I drop down to like 10 pips, I think I'll do a next entry.
Um,
Yo, the spread on these accounts, these funded accounts has been crazy, man. I'm telling you.
oh yeah.
The design these things different, bro. I'm telling you. Like some funded accounts, some funding challenges you can't even scalp because
Mm-hmm.
you know.
That's what I'm saying. People be paying their money, and you're trying to tell them how to how to do everything. Like, just shut up and take the money. You know, buy the chat or buy the account. You have your rules to say don't lose this amount. That should be it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, shouldn't have any more say in it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, what are you doing?
It's going all the way down, my boy.
No, but that make no sense. That make no sense. Oh, unless that's what it's doing. Unless that is what it's doing.
Shit, down like what, 17 pips.
Come on, from the streams that we've been doing, haven't I don't remember losing a trade on it. Probably need to start keeping check of that as well.
Yeah, this week might be a little different, you know, it's not down 22 pips.
22. Or hold on.
23, 24, 26,
How come it?
30.
All right, close GJ. I like it. I think
Well, it's not
it's
really 30, so it's 17 pips, you know what I mean? Because there's two open and next lot size when it reach
oh
yeah, so it was like it's actually like 17 pips. Mm-hmm. Because he stop loss and get hit or anything yet, yeah.
oh. So
Oh yeah, you're closing it out?
where's the one that I just drew up my trend lines and stuff? Hold on. What was this one? No, not closing it yet.
Okay, yeah.
I want if it starts breaking out all of that, then yeah, should respect something there. I just don't want to go wider than the 20 pips for stop loss, but it could just give. This is pretty
With
close to
GJ,
if it.
bro, I think the minimum pips on GJ is 30, bro. Trust me.
I think,
GJ does move so much.
yeah, I think it can do a retest at this area. This area is a double bottom. Mm. Let me see what 20, so at 30 pips. 30 pips, decent. 30 pips is a decent stop.
Where do I adjust it to 30?
If it starts breaking below,
Alright.
if it starts. Okay. Let's just do a two screen for now. I wanna see. Oh snap! No, 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 no! Don't do that. Yeah, change this one. Okay, should change this one.
Hmm. That,
No, this is not what we're looking at for gold. This is an old chart, but the new one is not. New one should be coming up, but I'm not seeing it. Alright.
Gold China's hardest to go down, man.
It should.
Hardest.
It should.
Well, hopefully,
It's gonna go
let's
down.
go.
If it goes up, then it goes against me, but I mean, gold should
We
go
can't
down.
have that. We can't have gold going against you, my boy.
No, it's funny enough. It's the only pair I get pissed about losing a trade on.
Yeah, I think everybody, bro,
Yeah,
gold respects no one.
I shouldn't lose a trade on gold. I don't care. I don't care what nobody want to say. Like, gold should, you know.
And a lot of everybody love gold, man. Trust me, everybody love trading gold because it's in and out, quick.
Yeah, cause I spent so much time analyzing gold, trying to
Mr.
learn how
GG
it
in
moves
profit
and
now.
stuff. Yeah, yeah. I kinda tried to do a fake out, you know, tried to do a
Real.
fake out just now. Closed above our entry. Um,
Gold going down nice. I see.
it's tempting to go in it, eh?
No, but I in gold.
Yeah, in gold from
Yeah, I went
here.
back in gold.
Oh, good, good, good stuff. Good
Yeah, I
stuff.
went back in gold to at least just gain back the profits. You know what I mean? The losses.
Mhm,
You just cover the losses so I could keep the account active. I could get like the percentage.
mhm,
Yeah, because let me see. All right, I get back 2% already on the account. You understand?
mhm.
So that is good. Where I could still keep that running. Now, the amount of these I mess with, guy, I
Mm.
kind of have a little hand on how how to deal with them. You can't you gotta be happy with the losses and just try to just cover them back and don't be mad. Don't leave and go and be like, nah, nah, you just gotta just enjoy it. You gotta enjoy it, man. Hmm.
Yeah.
You can't be like, damn, man, I just found the thing. Nah, you just gotta enjoy it. Like, it's a game, it's a game, I'm telling you. This thing is a game. Yeah, you gotta make this thing fun, so no hard feelings. Even got no emotion, you wouldn't be acting crazy trading. So
Mm-hmm. All right.
what the hell
1836.
wrong with GJ? I hope GJ ain't doing the same thing like gold and
I'm not surprised if GJ don't move before news. Oh, it's
before news.
142. All right, so but how it's moving now, yeah. If it breaks above 163 200 and close above it, then we should be good to go for
Mm.
buys with the news.
With the news with that GDP podcast, yeah.
Yeah,
Alright, alright.
yeah,
Yeah, look at shooting up already, my boy.
yeah. So, um, we don't have any, didn't have any trade that um hit.
Only the GA. The
Yeah,
GA trade,
oh yeah,
let's see what
what's
that is.
G? I think it's still ranging. Yeah, still. I think stop was up here. It's not showing my stop because I'm doing a double screen. All right, let me see if I can just pull it up now. But all right, let me see what else. So we're just gonna focus on GJ for the news. Don't want to
Mm-hmm.
focus on too much and then get carried away. Um, yeah, GU should sell, so still not worried about that.
Oh, you're in a GU trade?
Um, no, not from the session though.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, so this one, the GA is approaching stop
Yeah, so
loss.
up G, you gonna sell. I mean, gold gonna sell. I mean, US, Canadian gonna go up. I mean, US 30 gonna sell. NAS gonna sell. I mean, everything against the dollar gonna sell. AU gonna sell.
Yeah, yeah. But why is this? Why is this buying though? Curious to find out.
This account, I need to come up with this next account because I had my daily, I had a 3.5% for the day, and for the day all you got is 5%.
Oh, I completely missed this. So
What's that?
GA, I did not see this. So is retesting this? It's rejecting from this area. As I was wondering why it's going up. I did not see that though. That's green line here. I did not see it. 'Cause I thought this was the last high for it to come down. But let's see. Let's see what happens with that. Can still reject. So can still reject from this um, support tested as resistance and then fall.
Closing off these trades. I'm closing off GU and GA and everything.
Hmm.
I'm closing up everything because I'm too close to my daily limit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna and the one with the goal, what we was doing,
Mm.
the losses with the goal.
You close the golden profit, the one that you entered last.
Yeah, yeah. But I didn't even know that I was so close to my daily. Yeah, because let me see, we went down 8 grand. Oh yeah, yeah. I think on the account is 1250.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Shoot. All right, so
All right, if you're closing, just use
we'll live to fight another day there.
a smaller lot.
On
We're gonna
all
wait
right,
for
so
the
I'll
push
open it
and
on this
pulls.
one. So open the goal on this one. Open the goal
Oh, you have
on
another
this
one.
account there.
You have another one?
Yeah, on the one the one you trade on past the first one. That's the one I put the GU on.
Oh,
The GJ on.
oh, oh.
That's what we gonna pass this today now, right? I'll pass it on to you if you don't pass, but it come like you here. It's come like it's you here, bro.
Alright. So
So you me open the gold cells on this.
um no, easing off 12 minutes. No, so we're just gonna zone in on GJ for a minute.
All right, so it's only GJ up open right now. Everything else closed off. But you me to add in you me paying GU or anything on this account or are we straight for now?
For GJ,
No, yeah, the GJ I have on this account here. You me to open anything else on this account or not really?
no man, it's up to you which account is which, I
No,
can't
the
get.
account right now what I just log into is the one you have, the one you pass,
Oh, so you're just
right?
going to
That we
trade
need
it now?
5%. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, so whatever trade you enter now is the first trade on it.
yeah, yeah.
All right.
So
So
we have 5%. We have 12.5 on that.
so you can use that. We're gonna do we're gonna do buy stops and sell stops
All right, on which
for
pair?
GJ. I think buys are gonna play out, but I'm worried about this zone, so we're gonna do it strategically. The 4 hour gave a nice close. The 4 hour. This candle closed really nice. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna use the 4 hour. Closer to the time, I'll tell you where exactly. So we're gonna do a sell stop below the candle, and we're gonna do a buy stop above.
On the 4 hour.
And for
All
the
right.
4 hour, you can put in the sell stop now, because if it
So we
goes,
selling below the candle and we buying above. Which candle we buying above?
yeah, the same the one to do the week, but because it's we have whole 10 minutes out, I want to see closer to the time if we start breaking above the wick on this 4 hour.
All right. So above the wick we do not buy.
Yeah, so I want to buy above this wick.
Okay. We buying above.
Yeah, if it
We
starts
buying
breaking
above the
above
wick.
that wick, then we should be good for the buy.
And we do not sell below the wick.
Hmm.
Below that candle.
Yeah, because we're gonna get a new one either way. Um, let me see.
A newer.
Yeah, it should get a new well, no, this is the new 4 hour candle just started. So I have 3 hour left in this. So if this 4 hour candle rejects and starts breaking its own
No, I
low,
think the next 4 hour candle starting just now.
yeah, so this is pretty much the last 1 hour candle. So this is it. So if a 1 hour, uh, yeah, alright, we can use the 1 hour. We can use the 1 hour. I can use the
We
one.
usually 1 hour candle.
Yeah, because it's not far from what we're working with. Um, Let's see. So that's a 4 hour low. Yeah. Yes. As I was saying, it's the same candle. So so stops 162,870. But don't want to use the buy stop just yet because closer to news spreads might widen and it might start moving crazy.
Mm.
Yeah. So we'll wait for that.
Yeah, spreads on widening already right now as we speak. So once it started drop and go under our stop loss, we enter a next sell.
Go again.
We shorten once it go drop under that candle where our stop loss is.
Let me see, 162,870. Oh, it's pretty
On
much.
the wick of that candle.
Yeah, but that's why we're waiting.
Oh,
That's
so
why we're
we ain't
waiting.
doing anything yet. We're just waiting it out.
Yeah, we're just waiting. Probably like 2 or 3 minutes in because trying not to get stuck up in the little pre-news shenanigans. That's gonna happen. But it looks a bit messy though here for the sales. Buys take out this week. It goes into this
It look good for the
range.
buys.
It can still reject from this area. It's
Let me take a look at this on the
boy.
4
For
hour.
me, it's not the best. Not the best looking setup. On the 4 hour, it's looking better, yes, but
Mm-hmm.
on the 4 hour, this is cause of concern for me.
Bro, on the 4 hour, it have buys and sells, bro.
On the 4 hour, this is like 60, uh, like 17 pip. It's not. The range is trash. Can we get 20 pip on the sell, but the range is trash. But let's see. Pick a side. Alright, GJ gonna wipe out a lot of people right now.
Yeah, man, because, bro, on the daily, we have a downtrend for the longest. You know what I mean?
It's gonna make a lot of people upset.
If
Cause
it blow through that trend line on the daily and shoot
mhm,
up, or it could we back off of that trend line on the daily and just drop straight back down to that wicked hard from September, back in September there. You
mm,
know what I mean? To the long daily wick back in
let's see.
September.
Their previous was 0.05 They're expecting 0.01. So therefore, if it comes out, good based on the forecast, then it's gonna buy. Let's see, monetary. Previous one, yeah. Alright, so 3 minutes too. Oh, alright, so forecast actual is loading. Alright, so we're in buys already,
Mm-hmm.
so we don't need a buy stop. But for persons, no, I already said buy on the stream, so yeah, so we're already in the buys. So we keep that. We don't need a buy stop um for that. You can just use a sell stop. We just use a sell stop below here, but we're already in the buys. Where did I? Oh, it's this chart. Buys should be good. It just broke above this week, broke above this week, broke above the resistance that was formed here. So 20 pips is at 163,287. It should go all the way.
Oh, so we hold any position we have, yeah?
Yeah.
Relax.
Alright, so news is in. Let's see
We
what's
up 8
happening.
pips,
Alright,
14
yep.
pips, 20 pips.
20 pip hit. Alright, let's go.
We up 20 pips. What are we doing? Moving to break even? Or we staying?
Um, yeah. You can move to break even or just take partials. Because it can do a lot of wobbly stuff. Oh, oh, it came out positive. Okay, they're expecting 0.1, came out as 0.3. Not a big difference, but it should be enough to push it up. So we just got 20 pips on GJ.
Oh, yeah, you close off?
No, I'm closing. Just updating. So who wants to close at
Oh,
20
yeah.
pips
I know
can
we up to
close.
like 20, yeah. Up 20 pips. There's sometime when you wish you to take a bigger position. You understand me?
What did you use?
A 10 lot, bro.
Oh, yeah, man, you're good. You're good. No more than that.
Yeah. I
Oh,
just moved to break even. I moved like 2 pips in profit and that's it. And
holy
let it
shit.
play out.
Hold on. I think I did. Shit. I think I did something wrong.
I'm there.
No, I got accounts open, but I opened the position on the wrong account.
Mm.
I shouldn't be trading that account.
Well, at least it's going positive, you know.
Oh
That's a
my.
good thing.
Mm-mm. Man, I logged into the wrong account.
Oh boy. Too
It's,
much
it's, it's,
accounts
it's,
right
it's not
there.
a problem, you know. It's just the fact that I was to trade a challenge account for
Uh,
someone. So I was like looking at it and be like, all right, so I'm halfway at or close to recovering, what it was done by.
uh,
And when I checked the balance, I'm like, why is it? It should have been less, And then I
uh
checked and I realized it's the wrong account. It's the wrong account, but it's good. It's good. It's in positive, so I mean I passed
Yeah,
it
so that's a
already,
good
but
thing.
I just leave it as is. Just remove it. I'ma just delete it. I'ma just close it down. Damn, that's messed up now. Cause I really wanted to get up on this account. It'd have been some good money.
Well, we got a small push, but everything dropping back now.
Yeah, cause this little push right now, um, been like 4 grand.
Do you do a 20 or a 40 lot?
Um, hold on, let me check it back. No, it's not 40, that's for sure. Cause that account is down. Um, I think it was 22 tens. Expected more from GJ
Oh
on the
boy, it's
news.
gonna take me out, boy.
It took you out.
Yeah, like 2 seconds again, bro. Because I moved to break even and it just dropped back.
Oh, it's gonna pump down. I believe it
And
will.
take me back to freaking damn. So what to do? Jump back in? Jesus, thing
Yeah,
take me
because
out.
it's
I
still
break
it's
even.
still close, so you can jump back in and probably put stops a little below the candle.
Alright, let me jump back in here. Everything on go slow tonight, man. Normally all this time everything kind of crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Especially news and London Open, should do something.
Mm-hmm.
Should do something. All right, so possible rejection from this area. Possible.
Mm-hmm. She's gonna
So,
take me out again.
so the same one that we were talking about, same little area that it might reject from. All right, this is
Alright, one pip away. Yeah, right here, but take me out there. Alright, mother.
so it's rejecting that area, or this is just a tiny little pullback for buyers. So we got 20 pips. Waiting to see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see.
Yeah, that area on the 1 hour, like it hard to pass, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like that area, like it hard to break through.
Um, let's see.
Damn, DJ might consolidate for on the 1 hour right there too again,
163.
Right there again. Let's see something.
163. 160.
Yeah, see that 30 pip range there? Might
Mm.
just consolidate in that area.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, so this is the new one. Oh, so 30 minutes. So just alright, so that pullback could be for the bottom wick. So let's see.
on
So
the 4 hour,
30
you mean?
minutes and 1 hour. This could have been the bottom wick for the candle. Once we're not rejecting, remember I was telling you about this area. So that's why we bought from down here. So we at least got 20 pips
Mm-hmm.
before this area. Um, because I was
Oh, in
saying
the
that,
earlies, you mean? When it take us out in the earlies, when it break even.
yeah. And then I was saying that if it bought up, we might reject this area. So for the buys, I want to see it, you know, close above or break through. That's this area. So that's a challenge. If it
Mm-hmm.
breaks above, then we have better chance of it buying full time.
A nice run.
Yeah, but have to break out of this area, break above it, close above it. Then we say, all right, we're all good for the buys. But this is it might seem simple, but this is a key area. And so far, that's exactly where it's reacting to. So,
All right, with my technicals that is due here right now. Our buy is no good right now. Let me go into my stuff here. All right, our buy is no good. Right now we're gonna retrace with my technicals here, right? We're gonna retrace to like 162. 395 before we push up. That is on my end what I see, and
Mm.
I'll share that with you offline sometime.
Yeah, so
You let
that's
me
why I
know.
say if we reject here,
Mm-hmm.
because that's what I was saying. So you remember when we were looking at the buys, I said the range is trash,
Mm-hmm.
right? But we can get the 20 pip if we took the buy from down here. Get the 20 pip before this level, because this level is one that we have to take into consideration.
Mm-hmm.
So overall, we have to see a rejection from here first. But for the buys, if we start closing below them levels, then especially below this trend line, then it's pretty much not gonna hold. But
Mm-hmm.
we wait and see.
I'm gonna set up a buy for when this come down to like 162, 3, 162. Okay, let me see what kind of stop loss I'm gonna have for it. Um, damn. Yeah, that stop loss would be too big, but yeah, if I do that, I had to be like well, for you it might be nice, but I have to have like a 42 pip stop loss. Damn, bro.
No,
For
but
you, that's normal, man. That's small, right?
what's it say?
A 42 pip stop loss. But no, there's like, yo, that's great. It's amazing. For me, it's like, are you crazy? Yeah, but I'll just do to the smaller size to make sure that to check my decisions I'm making here to see if it was all right.
Oh,
I'm gonna do another 5 lot just to check it out.
you say 162, 900?
One no 162 405 on my entry. I put in a setting up a buy there. Put in an entry there. Alright.
Mm,
Doing an entry for a 1-to-1 and take partials and then shoot forward.
mm, tricky.
Stop.
All right.
Yeah, says to that so hey, if it do come back down, if it do come back down when it's And then from the chart, so
It's playing around now.
yeah, like on trading view, yeah, 64 is a 62.45. Yeah, 62.45. All right, 62.45. We're gonna do a 45 pip stop loss. And we're gonna do a one to not your kind of trade, but a 1 to 1.5. Take profit. Yeah, that's in case we come back. All right. Where's the next pair we looking at here now?
Hmm?
Where's the next pair we looking at here tonight? Oh, that was it. That was it on
Mm, yeah, I'd say that was not liking what is forthcoming, but um,
the GA should be going up now. It moving on your side, the GA.
yeah, that I think it gone up, as I said, based on the news. You know, yeah. This you can do an intraday setup on
Which one is that?
GA.
The GA.
Yeah. Um, Let me do something real quick, cause it should continue.
Should return,
But
return
but
or continue?
but I have to wait though. I think might get a double top projection. So I would personally wait.
See something. All right, yeah, I don't see it coming back down. See it coming back down. Now stuff let us do it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't
just
see
just
two trade.
just wait it out and see if you're waiting. You just set an alert at the top of this candle to see, and you wait. If it
Which one is
if it
that?
um
What
if
is
it
this on the 1
break
hour?
and yeah, so if it break and close above under 30 minutes at
Be
least,
buying.
then you can take the buy.
Okay.
So you just wait for the candle close. If it closes below, then you just go for the um, if it rejects, then you can take the sell. You don't
Mhm.
need a wide stop loss. You can do like one of your little ones, because if it is rejecting, then you don't need more than 20 pips. You don't even need 20 pips.
Mhm.
Yeah, because if you're buying from the top here, rejecting from here, you don't need it. But you can just do 20 pips, because it should just give a double tap and then you take it from there.
Mhm.
Yeah. Um, and I still GJ. GJ is still good for the buys. I just believe that this could be some faking out happening on GJ. I do believe could be wrong, but because at 30 minutes this week is retesting these areas up here. So the current candle is retesting this line right here, and I mean that's pretty. Mhm.
GJ, you say?
Yeah, it's still not. It hasn't ruled out the buys as yet. Hasn't ruled
Oh
out the
no, no, no.
buys.
The buys is on, man. The buys is on.
Yeah. So
But I
just
just
as
think
how
they're
I
gonna
had
pull
this
back.
stop loss set, you'd have to take it out. That's just how
You
I
got
do it. You'd have to
Oh
take.
yeah, you still have your stop loss. Which one is it?
This is
Oh,
GJ.
you still in the trade?
This is CJ.
I didn't know
Yeah.
you're still in the trade.
Some was
Very
close because
good.
remember I got in late um because of
You
the
don't
mix
come
up
out of
with the
trades at
broker.
all, bro.
Hmm?
I say you don't come out of trades at all.
Well, I mean, I have stop loss and they have take profit. One should hit, right?
You don't care if it hit next month. You see, you do business. Yo, nah, if I'll be rich if I get like that, man. Trust me, because half of these trades just play out. You just gotta have the patience, that's it.
Hmm.
Because they do play out. You
Yeah,
just gotta have the room for them to run and have the patience. That's it.
that's it. Yeah, man. They do play out, and then
Hmm.
when they play out, you sit and you smile and you say, oh, it was worth it.
Yeah, they do play out. It's the time you want them to play out, they don't play out. But once you leave them alone,
Hmm.
they play out, man. It's just come to you, that's it. But when we in the market now, we actually want it to happen right away.
Yeah, that's the thing,
Mm-hmm.
want it to happen on our time, you know, and it don't necessarily gonna happen like that on our time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but
Let's see what's your time here, 2:25,
um,
25.
gonna need it to, if you're gonna get an X account, I need it on my Forex funds.
Oh, my Forex funds.
Yeah, cause that broker know it's easier to trade
Oh yeah, because them do
indices.
Fiddle Crest do copy, and then Fiddle Crest you can't use a copy, they say, right?
Yeah, yeah. But
Stupid man.
mainly cause
And
indices
the
on
NSEs.
Fiddle Crest is trash.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because you have to use some ridiculously large lot size and whatnot to get
Oh
it.
yeah, because they load on they adjust
Yeah.
I think it's 30 they carry down to. It's not 100 to one, it's 30 or something.
So makes sense. But I have some things in place.
My
Um,
Forex funds. When we
my
pass this one here, we're gonna get a next one. I'll get a next one and send it to you when I pass this on. When we pass this one here,
hmm
yeah, I'll get a next one and send it to you there. If we pass a couple of them, we get like maybe the plan I tell you about first, right?
hmm
So yeah, we stick to the plan.
Yeah, man, we still have it.
Yeah, everything's still on.
Still have it. So
Hmm.
that's the mess up. And what happened? What happened with wait, I probably shouldn't call the name, but that broker we were just talking about, the one
Hmm.
you're using now. Um,
Oh.
when I pass the the first phase, um, and they sent the details and stuff for the second phase
Hmm.
for max drawdown, it was the same as the first.
Hmm.
And then it came up and I got the notification that it failed, and I'm like, what? Can't fail if that's the case. And when I asked them to log back in and take a look, the drawdown changed.
Hmm.
Yeah, so it was no longer the same drawdown as the first. I think it was slashed in half. So if for the first it was 10%, and the second phase it's 5%.
Damn, I gotta check that.
And they said that that was a recent change, but you can't, I don't know, but you can't say you
Let me
change
log
something
in,
in the middle of
bro.
things.
Yeah, let me check that, bro. What the hell is this? You serious?
Yeah. So they said that for phase two, the max drawdown is not the 10%, it's 5.
Yeah, we know it's 5% daily,
Yeah.
but not
But no,
overall.
overall it's,
What?
yeah, overall it's 5.
Let me check it here. Yo, overall it's 5 for real, my guy.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, nah, bro. It's a good thing I say that.
Mm-hmm.
Yo,
Cause,
daily is 5 and overall is 5.
mm-hmm.
What the hell?
And it was changed just like that. Cause there was no notification or nothing, and in the screenshot that I got with the details and stuff, it wasn't there. It wasn't showing no 5% for the overall. It was just for the
For my
daily.
G, is a good thing you didn't use this account with the gold because should have been over.
Mm. Yeah, so I realized, so I'm like, all right,
That don't make no sense though.
don't
This
make no
the
sense.
So when is page 3 and it's time to be funded? Well, that was the drawdown now.
I think they're gonna keep it at a 10,
I hope so.
but um, I looking
Uh,
not to mess with them now.
yeah, 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 yeah. No, we are curious. We will do this. These two, we go past these two and just keep them, and we have them already. So
Yeah, that's it, cause I
we
don't
just
really
wouldn't
like it.
buy. Yeah, we just wouldn't buy no more. The only thing I don't like with them is the drawdown, right? I was up like 8%, right?
Mhm.
And now they start to count your 10% max drawdown from the highest number you reach. You know what I mean?
Mm.
Yeah, it's not from the original amount to the account no more. It's from the highest you reach. So
So that's what happened.
yeah, so they once if you reach 9% and then you go back down to the
Mhm.
to the original amount, bro, you only have 1%. Once you reach our amount, that's where they're marking
Oh, so
your
they do it off
drawdown
the
from.
equity.
Yeah. So if you go up 4%, there's 5% drawdown. You go up 5%, you went up 4%, you didn't pass, and you end up losing 5, but it still had the original account balance.
Mhm.
You lost, bro. You lost.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. I don't. There's anything I don't like with them. That is craziness.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Even if you're
And I
gonna
didn't
use
know.
it off equity, then it should be just the equity from the overall amount,
Mm.
not from. No, that's
Yeah,
kind
from
of.
the overall amount every time. But what they do is they don't use it from the overall. They wait till you reach the highest peak you ever reach. That is where they're using
Yeah,
it from.
yeah.
That's crazy. That is crazy. Now, up they use balance equity every time. I understand that. But from your highest peak, you
Mhm,
can't mess up, bro. You can't mess up from your highest peak. Yeah. And thanks for telling me about that 5% on the second phase. I didn't know. I thought it was cause the daily is 5%, but the max is 5%. I thought it was 10%.
mhm.
So even imagine if you have a smaller account now, what will happen? Jeez.
Yeah.
You have to relower your lot sizes.
But what you said now about the
Oh, you
equity
didn't know that?
thing.
You didn't know that either?
Oh no, no.
Yo, well, you see, it's a good thing you say that, and I end up telling you that now because, yeah, once you reach your highest point, they not gonna do no daily equity thing. Your highest you reach, that's where they're checking it from. So don't think you could go back down to your standard account amount and be like, yeah, there's a fresh start now. Mm.
Mm,
No, yeah, because I lost the last one, I realized that I went up. I went up like 8% and I leave a trade and I walk away. And I was like, I'll just let it run because I have so much, so no, there's so much equity. I have like 20%. There's a lot. I'll just put in a big stop loss and I didn't even set a stop loss and I went somewhere. When I see it down, I just see the account say, went down, but it went down a lot, like 11%. But I was
mm,
like, how I lost, you know what I mean? I leave it on purpose to, because I had a big lot size. So
mm,
oh boy, and I say, when I reach back down to the regular amount, I will stop it and I'll start afresh. And man, see 11% a loss, max drawdown is 10%, daily drawdown 5%. So I did still mess up anyhow because the daily drawdown was 5%, but still they they checking everything from your highest point. They're not checking it from when you just log into your account. Once you're profitable and you go up, that is where they're checking it from. Even the next day, they don't care. They're checking it from where you start from,
mm.
where your account is at the moment,
Yeah.
where the account was at the highest peak.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. So that you can't slip up at all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
cause I think.
highest peak. So don't think you're gonna go up high and you go down and then you're gonna be like, man, I will get that money back. Yeah, but
Mhm.
maybe 4.5% to risk. That's it. It's over. Yo, I'm glad you told me that. So no, this to get us 5% here, my guy.
I think
I don't know.
that's what happened to one of them accounts that I passed to
Oh,
someone.
that you
Cause
didn't pass and
yeah,
you don't know what the
cause
hell going on.
I didn't know to explain that. Cause I never experienced that before.
Mm.
So I'm like,
All right,
I
look at
didn't
here.
even know that was a thing.
All right, you see this account here, the one I traded that we just lost the goal on?
Mhm.
I went up 9.75% to pass the first phase, bro. 9.75%, right?
Mhm.
And the excitement. I keep just entering trades to make that little bit there. And I
Mhm.
went all the way back down, right? And listen to me. They know that is it. I cannot go way back like to the start of the account, else I wouldn't have you wouldn't
Mhm.
have you'll lose it. You understand me?
Mhm.
Yeah. So but this year was excitement. I was just like, yo, I just need freaking 24% for me,
Mhm.
and I just keep hitting stuff, and I just draw down, draw down, draw down, draw down. I was like, damn, you're just doing some senseless stuff because you're not thinking to.
Mhm.
And then I paying up the lots because I was like, yo, I just needed to get 1 pip or 2 pip. Man, I'm telling you. Until I went all the way back down. And
Mm,
then all the way back. We fluctuating with this account. So once I lose it, I don't care how much I fluctuate once I lose it. But what time you starting to trade tomorrow?
uh,
Later on. You trading tomorrow by the way? Or no?
Tomorrow, Friday.
Yeah.
So, um, I'm not sure.
Alright, if not, well, I just try and pass this thing in next week. If you're trading tomorrow, John, try and pass this, get them with the 5% tomorrow and let them set this up for a real account for next week. Guys, yo, it was a good thing you told me that because I would have take some different type of trades. So that information was crazy.
Hmm.
5% max drawdown. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I know they normally lower the profit target, but
Yeah, the profit low down to 5 instead of 10, but they change everything to 5 daily and max.
yeah, I mean, that's that's crap. That's crap if you ask me.
Yeah, for real. So that mean now I can't even risk 1%, my guy.
Hmm. It's like a
Yo,
automatic fail.
yo, I can't even risk 1% of the account now, because normally I risk like 1% of the account when I trade. Because, but no, I was just 5%. You can't even do that now. Jesus.
It's messed up though.
Say the second phase is a breeze, but with that little bit of with that to play with there's yo, I bet you that must catch a lot of people too.
Mm.
Because a lot of people just know that the only thing change is the
It's the profit
is
margin.
yeah. People are thinking that everything change. Your drawdown, every single thing change. Why do you change that on a bigger account though? Come on. You
Yeah.
can't be serious. With your experience with them, if you got 2 accounts with them, they could merge it. They could merge it to one.
No, they don't merge. They don't merge.
They don't do that. Oh, okay. Mm,
They don't merge.
that would have been nice. It would have been really nice. We could just merge all the accounts together and call it a day.
Hmm. Would have been good, but no, not these
Wait,
people.
what you say is FTM what you say or my Forex funds?
My Forex funds.
My Forex funds. Let me write that down because so but the only thing is the payouts and everything. I think what it is monthly or something like that.
Um, no,
I think it you're about active in one of those, no?
okay. Eh?
You're about active my Forex funds, no?
No, I have one, but I haven't started trading it yet.
Uh,
I'm waiting and I doing some specific kind of trading with that broker, but I
mm,
didn't get it in time for the Nas drop.
mm,
Yeah, I didn't get it in time. So so that's why it hasn't been traded yet.
mm.
All right. Let me see something here. So with the first payout, yeah, it's a month after the first after you get the live account, and after that it's
Mm-hmm.
every 2 weeks. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but
Okay, okay.
it's not bad because I mean
It's not bad.
you just have to take your time and rack it up. You can rack up some good money within that
Oh yeah.
that little that month, you know. You set
Mm-hmm.
a daily target if it's even like to make a 2 grand or
For real.
4 grand, whatever it is, you set it daily and that's it. You just take your time, you know. After you get your first payout, you can decide if you want to run up the account,
For real.
but you gotta just take your time on the first part, the first 30
Mm-hmm.
days.
Yeah, but once you gotta take your time and you get the whole thing,
Hmm.
because you don't want to hurry. You just, as you say, you just shoot them at like
Hmm.
a bloody 1,000 a day, and that's it. You just take it easy.
Hmm.
You just take it easy.
Yeah,
Yeah, you just take it easy, and that's it.
yeah, man. That's a plan. So, at some point, I want um, cause after I'm done with that one, I want to get one for the live stream where
For real.
I trade it live on the streams, only on the streams, showing it being traded on the
Right,
stream.
right, right, right. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So a lot of people could get who want to get the accounts, they could get them, and yeah, man.
So
Yeah, man.
you
That
can
makes sense.
see it. So it's not just saying, taking this trade or taking that trade. You can actually see it happen right in
Mm-hmm.
front there.
That makes sense. That'll be nice, bro. Everybody wanna get their money up, you know what I mean? And
Yeah,
we don't
man.
know how long this funded stuff gonna last, so
That is
if
it.
not everybody could get their money up, that'd be good.
Yeah, man. That is it.
Mm-hmm.
So slowly putting everything together.
For real.
Slowly putting everything together.
What's your outlook on GU? I
Nothing.
mean, I think GU gonna sell. We have one that you're in any sales on GU, but you say it wasn't sales on GU, right?
Yeah, for the major time frame sales
Overall,
overall. Yeah, was looking on this one, but apparently it broke through this zone, so I'm now waiting to see what happened. But only in the swing. Yeah, but not a whole lot of movement tonight.
mm, yeah, it's crazy right now.
Yeah, not
Trust me.
a whole lot of
Was
time.
your take profit point on GU? You have any down on like
For a long term sell.
166 down there? Yeah.
You said GU?
Mm-hmm.
It was um, alright, so the major one was right here, really, where it stopped. Was this one, but waiting to see if I get it down to this level. 164
Cool.
16460, pretty much. Waiting to see if it goes to that level.
Okay, okay.
So if once I go in back in sales on GU, that's where I'm aiming. That's where I'm aiming.
Yeah, I just setting up some stuff here before I bloody I bloody take a rest.
Come on.
Get
I still want
T
it to go up,
T. What's that?
GJ. I mean, if we close above this yellow zone, then we should be good. But I'm not gonna watch it for the rest of the night, though. Just
A GJ.
yeah, that's only because it's wilding.
I set a buy on that. When that come down, I think it might come down a little bit. So I set a buy like down on 62 400, 162 400 to enter.
I don't know why I have that area mark, but I have something there for 162, 402. Some reason. It's a price point of interest for me for some reason or another.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have it marked off on the chart.
Yeah, down there as well. Let's see. We have like we had like a big unbalance down there in the market there. A big imbalance there in the market. So that is all the spot was marked out on my end.
Oh, I know it was something. And it seems as if it's coming from the. Oh, it's coming from all the way 162.
Coming from on the 4 hour and the 1 hour.
Yeah, it's coming
Mostly
from.
let me see.
Oh,
No, what
it's
do you have?
this
Looking at the
wick.
wrong charts. Yeah,
It's a wick. Oh, okay.
let me see here. It's coming from it's coming from the it's coming from the like the 1 hour, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 30 minutes.
All right. So,
Yeah, the 15 minutes. The yeah. So I set a buy there because I'm gonna look at this number. Where's this GG now? I'm
oh,
more gonna
you
spend
didn't
some
buy them
time
yet?
on the US pairs. Yeah.
Oh,
So if it reach that point down there, we'll have mark off there. If it reach there,
hmm
I'll be in some buys. I'll be in a buy.
think you should have a buy stop as well, cause it may just break above and continue up.
They take profit, you mean?
Um, yeah, I know persons per.
Hmm?
Hold on. No man, you say you have a buy limit. If price go down, it's gonna put you in a buy. So
Or should I want to sell too, you mean?
no, I'm saying you should have a buy stop where if price goes up, it puts you in the buy to continue up. Because if price break above here, then I'm looking for continued buys, long-term buys.
Oh, yeah, I forget you just trade different. You
Yeah.
just going trade for years and thing.
So, I mean, you can have a buy stop at 163, 434 thereabout, which is above
163.
this zone. 163, 434. And once price breaks above,
Mm-hmm.
then you'd be in the buys. Cause once it clears all of this nonsense, then it's going to
Good to
create
go.
some new highs. Cause overall, I'd have it a fib from here on the forward that is going to go all the way. So
Mm,
yeah, you see from the low or from here, but you can just pull it from here to here. Target this area as the next point because brought it up. You see even this had all of these two positions running. Signal group over 200 pip each. So this
nice.
next target would be right here. That's 166.9 thereabout, and then up here, and then boom. But once it clear out all this noise, then GJ is just going to continue to break some new highs, create some new highs in the market.
I'm gonna push
But we just have to wait for all them confirmations.
for real.
Yeah, see. So I'm saying this area, I need a close above this yellow area.
Yes, 5 minutes.
So I'm gonna actually end the stream. So my peeps on YouTube, if you're still in GJ, then the analysis that I'll leave you with is you keep stop loss the same, 162, 885 thereabout. If price starts breaking above this yellow zone, you can feel free to add positions. Take it back to your 20 pip marker first at 163,287. 40 pips is 163,487. Once you're getting a break above 163,434, you can move your stops to break even and let your trade run because chances are we're breaking out of all the noise to continue going up based on higher time frame. So once we close above this yellow area here, 163,434, then we should be good for overall buys. So that's the analysis that I'll leave you guys with. Thanks for hopping on. See you on the next live stream, hopefully Sunday. I'll keep you guys updated.